Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are feeling good and ready for today's trading day. Looks like we do have some pretty big movements here this morning, so we will check out what is going on. Let me see if I can find our current chat here. All right, cool. Good morning to Greg, Joey. What's going on, brother? And Charms. Good morning, everyone, and hopefully you guys are ready. We do have a triple Indy to the downside right now. This is pretty red right now. And the funny thing is, we had a pretty big MOAS signal here on the 1 minute, and it went exactly to this level right there. Look at that beautiful hit right there, exactly to that 244 level, and then for some reason bounced. I have no idea why. Only the MOAS can tell us. But the MOAS likes to keep its secrets. Yeah, that MOAS came in at 9. When is this from? This is the 5 minute, by the way. This MOAS came in at 9:55 yesterday morning, and we came and chopped around up here for a while, and then we shot down. Let's check out the 30 minutes, see if there's anything else we can find on this 30 minute. Yeah, we lost this whole support level up in here, and we did get a trap long signal right there. That's another signal that you guys, if you're missing out on the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, another signal right there you guys did not see if you don't have it. Trap long signal right there, and then market just kind of kaplunked right there. Really nasty. We had a power short signal here the other day, another power short signal here. So the markers have been here. Power long signal right there. Wow, this has really been accurate. Trap long with a dip there, kind of set the stage for this fall. Yeah, very nice. Indicators are working impressively well. Right now, I'm thinking we could see a continued move down. Now, I would not be opposed to maybe a pop to the upside, maybe there, maybe another one in here. I'm looking at these levels right now, maybe even this area right here. A couple spots here that I would keep my eye on to the upside. Now let me, I do have this level marked out to the downside. Let me see if I can find something on a 4 hour for us. The downside's pretty grim if we do start to move. And market will open up here in just a moment, so we'll see. But I'll keep my eyes open for this level here down at 600. 600, that looks like a level. All right, let's go back to the 1 minute. See what is happening here. What's happening? I'm gonna take this one off here since this one's already been, that level's been decimated. I'm gonna adjust this level here a little bit more, fine tune it. We've got another level in here that we may want to look at right there. Support, some resistance right up in here. Keep our eyes on those, maybe even in here. This one not as strong right here, not as strong. This at 387 level, but this level here is a lot stronger. This 439 level. Market opens up in about 3 minutes. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Good morning to you, Mo. How you doing, brother? I'm feeling terrible today, but the show must go on. What's wrong, Joey? My stomach is killing me. What'd you eat, bro? What have you been feeding yourself? Hopefully not that kitty litter. I mean, not kitty litter, cat food stuff. Uh-oh. The blue bottle? Yeah, for your stomach. Oh, Mylanta? My doctor said Mylanta. You heard about that? Oh, we got a little bit of a move coming on right now. Pay attention, everyone. Pay attention. We had a trap long signal right there. Market opens up in a few moments. That could be telling us something. That could be predicting the outcome here of our morning.
I had to move my stop because
You moved your stop? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, let me turn off your thing. Okay, you're off. It's off right now. Okay. Okay, we are ready, guys. We are ready, spaghetti. Major move about to happen. I can feel it in my bony jeans. We'll see. Mrs. Smooth is here. She's ready to kill it on the charts. You ready, Mrs. Smooth? You have your mic on?
No.
Oh, the crowd wants to hear from you. Joey thought you might have been kidnapped by Russian mafia. I told Joey I paid off my gambling debts and you're safe and sound.
I'm not kidnapped. I'm just girls back in school.
Yeah. Well, she kind of is kidnapped. She's taken away by kids. So she was nabbed by kids.
Not even wearing makeup.
Not even wearing makeup. You hear that, guys? She's raw facing it for you.
No, they're not gonna see.
You're not gonna see her true beauty. Sorry, guys. Not today. Not today. Good morning, Raphael. Good morning to all the fine folk out there, even the ones that aren't fine. Good morning to you too.
Hey everybody, sorry I've been absent.
You better have a doctor's note.
I will soon.
Okay, guys, market's open. Oh no, what do we do?
Also, I would have won up.
You would have won or lost?
I would have won it.
Oh, look at you.
Because it hit the TP already.
Look at you. Not trusting the indicator. Oh my lord.
It's not that I don't trust it. I'm
Not
just
trusting it.
what's it called?
Not trusting it. Good morning, Paul. Can you read Paul's message, baby? I'll read Paul's message. A lawyer woke up after surgery. He said, "Why are all the blinds down?" The doctor answered, "There's a big fire across the street. We don't want you to think the operation was a failure." I don't get it. I truly don't get that one. If anyone gets that one, please explain it to me because I am not that smart. All right, we might be getting the move back down. We'll see here in just a moment. All right, market's open. Market's open, guys. And look alive out there, guys. Get a little bit of a pop here. We'll give it a few minutes to...
Oh.
You got it?
Paul said he went to hell.
Oh, I get it now. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
That's funny.
You're funny, Paul. We're getting a ripper right up to 440. That level is showing 440s. We might get a move higher here today, guys. I'd be willing to take a shot at it long if we can hold it. Right up to 440. Right up to that level up here. Watch 440. This level here has been decimated. See if we can find some more levels. Some more. Watch that level at 440. Yeah, we're getting a good solid push. I like the longs. The longs are looking all right. I would think that maybe 370. I might want to be long at 370. Yeah, I'd like to see maybe a move. I like the longs right here. Maybe we can catch a long around 370. You have micros on? You ready to go, babe?
I just have it at 1.
Yeah, 1 is fine. We're gonna take them and add in.
Okay.
Do you know how to put on a limit order?
Yeah. Wait, isn't a limit?
You just place it. No, a limit order is when you just place it on the chart somewhere where you want it to get filled. You understand?
No.
So you click on the chart and you see how it says buy or sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would just click, like if I tell you put a limit order at 370, you'd click on 370, you click and you put buy, and that's a limit order.
So if my mouse is on
384,
384, if I click on that, Oh, like that?
Yeah, just have it waiting, like a resting order.
But I thought that was more for like
Like a TP or a stop loss. You can
Yeah.
also enter a trade that way.
Oh, okay, never mind.
You don't just have to be a degenerate like me and go market order long all the time. It does work though. It does work. Market orders do work.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, looking at longs here, babe. Maybe we'll get ready. Maybe a possible long. Okay. Let me see how she reacts here. Around.
Patty's not in yet. I'm waiting.
Patty's what?
Patty's not in yet.
Oh no, she's late. Tell her she's
Not
fired.
really.
Tell her she's fired.
Okay. Patty, you heard that? You fired. I'm just kidding.
I like a 370 long. We'll see what happens here at 370. Get ready, go long, go long, go long.
Okay.
Yeah, put your stop at your stop could be at 368. I think that's fine.
368.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put your TP at. Woo, we just hit TP. We hit 440 already. Put your TP at. Let's see the next logical place. At 480. Or 78, 478. Just a little bit closer.
Oh, okay. I was just there. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead and move your stop to break even. I don't want you to lose any money on this.
Okay.
Looks good for longs though. Longs look great.
Yeah.
We might enter, if we get stopped out, we might enter the long again at 397, okay?
Huh?
If we get stopped out, we might enter the long again around 397, 395.
Oh, okay.
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 If we get stopped out here.
Because you think it's going to go down and then right back up?
I think it's going to go down and right back up.
Okay.
Right now, I did know this level at 440 was going to have some resistance. But she went there so fast. We do have another level at 512, 508.
Come on.
Get resistance at that 440 level. Looking for buyers to push through the 480s. May not get it. May not get it. Take your profit. I don't want you to not have anything on this. Let's see if we're gonna wait for 397 for a long possibly. Okay.
Okay.
I'll tell you around that area if it
390 or 380?
397, 395.
Okay.
You might get a pop from there.
We're going to wait till it goes to 397 to go in.
We're gonna probably end up entering into multiple contracts. Okay.
Yeah.
Or adding in.
Hmm?
By adding in after we're in profits. Let's see how she reacts at 397.
Who is he talking about?
Talking to me?
No, Patty.
Good morning, Patty. Good morning to Eval. What's up, Stuck 360? Huh?
No. Pete?
We got a MOAS. We got a MOAS right now looking for upside to the daily open. That's why I like the 397 level.
Hold on, because I think it has poison ivy. Or did we? No. No, actually no, because I got someone to get rid of the poison ivy. 7 years. Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's something else we have to do.
Okay, we're getting close to 397. Let's see if it'll end up moving higher.
Slow this real quick. Hey.
Yeah.
Kakiola, there's a tree out in front of the property.
Yeah.
The tree is growing into the
Poison
property
ivy?
now.
Go ahead.
Starting to get closer to the property.
Yeah.
Like growing.
Mm-hmm.
And is that something the city covers, or that's something?
It's not our property, but the tree is growing into our property.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not our responsibility. But if it's hanging over, if it's the city's tree, they gotta cut it. If it's the neighbor's tree, then we can cut anything that's hanging over our side. Get ready to possibly go along, okay?
Patty said it's a city's tree.
It's a city's tree. We can call them. We can call them to come
Are
in.
they actually gonna do it though? Cause
They'll put it on their.
the
They'll
city
put
doesn't
they'll
have
put it
one.
on their list of things to do, but they're not gonna come tomorrow.
No, I know they're not gonna come tomorrow. To be fair, I feel like they're gonna put us back a few months. Cause don't they have like a list of things that they have to do
I'm
or
sure.
spending costs or something?
I'm sure. Get ready. Bye. Stop at 390. Stop at 390.
We're in a trade?
Yeah, go long. I said buy.
Oh, sorry. Go long.
Put a TP at 500.
TP's at 500.
I'll tell you to add in, okay?
Stop is
If it does work out.
390.
Worry about trees later, babe, okay? We'll worry about trees later. Just focus on charts right now.
Oh. Joey says lock in this move. Amen. I gotta wake up.
Okay. Put a limit. Put a stop buy at 468. You know what that means?
Stop what?
Go to 468.
Yeah.
And put stop buy.
The heck is that?
Click
Like
on it. And click buy. Stop. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Just leave it like that.
Patty, let me see your screen. He says put a stop buy on 468.
Is she already in a trade?
I think so.
Okay, good.
Never mind. It's about to freaking hit it. Okay. Oh, never mind. Alright, still a chance. Can you hover over 468 with your mouse?
Is your stop loss at 390?
Yes.
Okay.
And then click on it. And then click on the green button. When he says buy
Stop.
buy stop one, that's kind of what he means.
540.
Actually, it's not kind of. It is what he means. So it's gonna enter in another trade.
It's gonna enter into it's gonna add to your long position if it crosses over. That TP would be at 539. Okay. For that second position, if it does take it.
Okay. You're gonna have to explain it.
Once you enter that second trade and you have two on, because you'll have two on if it goes into that area, you'll put the TP for the second one at 539. You got me?
I'm gonna put the second one at 539. Okay.
Once you enter into the second position.
Yeah, once it enters me from the thing, yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna put my stop. See, Joey's like me. I'm slow too.
Once you enter into the next trade, the green line, once it crosses the green line, you'll be into 2 positions long. So you'll need 2 stop losses and 2 TPs. So your first TP is around 500. The second one should be around 539. The first TP you can make like 497 because those psychological numbers, sometimes they get us by like a hair.
Okay. So it's not entering me in a short.
It's going to enter you into an additional long.
Okay.
If you go higher. That's showing strength in the market is what I'm saying.
Okay. And then you said if I get it...
Put another stop loss at 390 and then put your additional TP at 539.
You said 539 is a TP?
Yeah.
And then stop just stays at 390?
Yeah.
Okay.
After you take out your first TP, then you can...
Because then we're in 2 now.
After you hit your first TP, then you can move the remaining stop to break even if you want.
Oh, okay. Once it hits the TP.
Yes, once you hit your first take profit...
Oh, the 500.
You can move your remaining stop loss to break even.
Okay.
You got me?
Thanks. Yeah, now I do.
Yeah, you're a little rusty here.
Once it hits the 500, once it passes the...
Yeah, it might end up rolling over here. It might end up rolling over.
Today. Once it hits 500, then we move our stop to break even.
Yeah, she's getting a bit heavy. We might end up having to switch positions.
I feel like Joey has an excuse though. Your stomach hurts.
We could get ready to...
You're not feeling good. I understand.
Yeah.
Not normal.
We could get ready to possibly end up going into shorts if this fails, okay?
Yeah. So what?
We might end up going into shorts if this fails, okay?
So we have to hit exit?
No, just leave it alone for now.
No, I know, but I'm saying...
Let it stop you out. If it's going to stop you out, it'll stop you out.
Okay.
But I'm just saying, just be ready because we may end up changing bias here because market could end up rolling over instead.
No, I understand, but what I'm saying is that if it takes us out, then
we'll go short. We'll go short probably right away if it does take us out.
Excuse me.
All right, if it takes us out, go short right away, okay? Because I think there might be a chance that this.
We go short right away.
Maybe. Give me a second. I'll tell you in a minute. This is looking pretty. Yeah, this is looking pretty grim. We might end up going short right away. Okay. I'll tell you in a second if it takes us out.
It took you out?
Took her out?
She go short?
Just stay flat.
Oh, never mind. She went short.
That's fine. Tell her to put her stop loss at 463.
Put your stop loss at 463.
And her TP at her TP could be at 370. 370. Go short.
Now I'm going short.
TP 370.
TP 370.
Actually, no. Put it at 353.
Sorry, 353.
And your stop loss could be at 456.
Stop is at 456. Okay.
Get ready to add into the trade if I tell you, okay?
Get ready to add in.
Well, sell, okay? Sell in.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Start pushing that sell button.
Push the sell button.
Yeah. So you got 2 on now?
Yeah.
All right.
You hit the sell button already? Okay, no. I mean, now, yeah.
Put that second stop loss at 420.
Put the second stop loss at 420. What the heck? Oh.
Hopefully we get this move down
and
here.
the second TP is going to be a lot higher?
Higher? You mean lower, right? It's
well, you know what I mean.
I have them both at 352 right now.
Oh, 350. Okay. So then put both at 352.
Yeah.
Joey says you have him stressing out.
You gotta be quick with this stuff.
What?
Dump it, NQ.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Why are you taking so long? All right, close all your positions.
Oh, awesome. All right. Yay. Yay.
We have another level that we're looking at possibly 335. Let's see if it ends up doing anything at 335.
Okay. He's like, no, Mom.
Okay. Get ready to go long, okay, if I tell you.
Okay, Patty, get ready to go long.
We'll see how this thing plays out. All right, market is pushing down right now to the open. That open level right around 350 again. It's getting kind of heavy there. Very good push. Yeah. Yeah, we could end up seeing a bounce around here.
Drove by or something. That's funny.
Maybe 320.
Well, that's good.
Maybe 320 gets a bounce. I'm not sure yet.
At least we don't have to.
She is kind of heavy. She is pretty heavy here. Yeah, man, she's selling off. 334 has been hit.
That's funny.
Next level down is 258, I believe. 258 could be visited if we don't see a move back up. We got repelled by that VWAP. That was kind of strange. Usually the VWAP brings price in. All right, we might end up getting a reversal from here. I like it. Let's see. If we can get above 380, I think it should be a go. Should be a go. Previous day's low is 380.
Somebody asked for the dresser.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just reply to them. Tell them it's available.
No, they want the dimensions.
Oh, the dimensions? Oh, yeah, okay. I'll get to that.
Mm-hmm.
Just remind me when I'm done.
Okay.
All right, we may end up going long, so be ready. Be ready.
That's fun.
All right, get ready to go long, okay? If I
Okay,
tell you.
get ready to go long, Patty.
If I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's popping. Okay. Go to long, buy. Stop loss at 307.
Yeah. What was it?
307.
307
Yeah.
for take. I'm sorry, not
30,
TP.
307. And then 435 for a TP.
Well, what?
435 for a
435
for a TP. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see if this holds. We may add into the long if I, okay? So get ready to add more if I tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and add another one.
Okay, add another long, Patty.
Take one off at 413.
What?
Take one off at 413
Take one off.
or 412.
Take what?
Yeah, like take one of your put a TP at 412 and one at 434.
Okay. And then just leave the stop where it is.
Yeah, you should have stop, 2 stops. All right, crush that 412, baby. Come on. If you hit 412, oh, come on. Are you going to do that again like you always do? You going to do that again like you always do? Oh my God. Did she just top tick you too?
This thing was close to the TP.
Oh my Lord, not again. Every day with this top ticking, bottom ticking nonsense. Oh my Lord, this has got to be the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? That 412 just missed us.
It said yes I am.
Just missed us.
I'm very serious.
Yeah.
I want to give everybody a heart attack.
All right, looks like this is going to stop us out.
Mm-hmm.
And she's dirty. See if we can find some buying pressure in here. It doesn't look like that. It looks like we may end up going short here if this stops us out. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
That is crazy. She missed me by like 50 cents.
Why are you even going down?
We'd stop that here. Come on, let's make a higher low NQ. No, of course not. She said, no, I'd rather just miss you by a hair and then come down to your stop loss, and then I'll go higher. That's what the NQ is saying to me, secretly. NQ secretly hates me.
Don't say that.
Well, then publicly hates me then.
Mm.
That's better.
Mm-hmm.
Could see a rejection at 368 this time around. We need to get above 368 this time.
Yep.
If she doesn't get above 368, this is going to be a wrap. All right, man. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay?
Okay. Get ready to close just in case.
We need to get above 368. 368 has become resistance. If we can get above it, great. We'll add to this trade. But if not, this thing is going to dump on its head. Need to break that 368. Come on, 368, break. Break 368. All right, good. Get ready to add if I tell you, okay? Add another.
Add another, Patty.
Yeah, and put that one at 425.
Yeah. What?
Put that TP at 425.
Put the TP at 425.
Yeah, put that stop loss at 337.
And put the stop at 337.
You can move all your stops to 337.
Huh?
You can move all your stops to
No,
337. Break and keep going.
How? Because that thing kept coming down.
We need to break this level, man. We need to break the 394.
Idiot.
Keep going. There's some selling pressure here. I know there is. But come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. You can do it. Yeah, this 400 level's gonna be tough, huh?
Huh?
This 400 level's getting tough.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, NQ. Stop it. Knock it off already. Not liking it. Yeah, this is gonna stop us out.
Oh, that's cool.
Actually, take your last TP.
Yeah.
Move that one to 540 just in case we get real lucky here.
Move one of the TPs to 540.
Yeah, just in case we get real lucky here with a nice ripper. But I
Yeah,
seriously
you said just in case we get lucky.
get real rippy here. It looks like they're gonna come down again. Oh my lord! Yeah, just smack me over the head, NQ. Smack me over the head. You miss us by a tick, and then you do this nonsense. Come on, NQ, knock it off. Yeah, it's gonna dump on us, man. Oh, stupid NQ. So stupid. All right, close your trades. Go short.
Huh?
Go short. Go
Go
short.
short, Patty.
Stupid NQ. Alright, put your stop at 397
I'll put your stop at 397.
and TP at 258. Put it at 260.
260.
Yeah. Get ready to add to the short if I tell you, okay?
Okay. Oh, we might add to the short.
Is now when it's going to rip?
Sorry.
Add to your short.
Add to your short, Patty. Yeah. And then TP is the same place?
Same place.
Oh, everything's
260. Actually, put one at 280 and one at 260.
I'll put one at 280 for the TP.
And one at 260.
And then leave the other one there.
And I'll tell you to add more, okay? In case we start moving here.
Okay. Truthfully, I'm not gonna lie, for a second there I was about to curse. I mean, you heard me, but still. Hey. And Q today is really bipolar.
Seriously, right?
That's kind of why I say it's getting me to a point where I'm gonna have to apologize for cursing.
Yeah, I know. When she's got this zero follow through. Are you carrying me right now?
That's the same thing Patty said. Patty's doing the cursing for me.
Yeah. Are you really serious right now, King?
How much drawdown do you have? Oh, dang. You know what's funny? You and I are in the same wavelength with the drawdown. I'm at 500. You're at 400. I'm telling you, this thing is like wacky.
Okay, get ready to add to your short.
Okay.
I'll tell you when.
Add to the short?
Yeah, I'll tell you when.
Okay. Get ready to possibly add to the short.
All right, add to your short one.
Okay, add to your short.
All right, you got 3 now at the stop loss.
Wait, what?
You got 3 stops and 3 TPs, okay?
Okay, where's the other? I know where the stop is, but where's the other TP?
Put it at 275.
275.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Dump it in cube. Put a sell stop at 315.
A sell stop?
Yeah, 315.
Sell stop is at 318.
315.
315.
Sell stop.
Punch his nose.
And then put that TP at 268.
318. Right?
Yeah. Sell stop at 318.
Sell stop. Okay, so the red button on 318. Okay.
Or 315, whatever. Same thing. Come on, dump it, NQ. Stop it already. Oh, this is just the worst accumulation I've seen at an open in the longest time. Come on, you gotta be kidding me right now with this move. No follow through on anything here. You gotta be playing with me right now, NQ. You seriously do. No move higher, no move lower. Just complete consolidation, chop garbage here. All right, we're gonna take a break here. We're gonna take a break. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close everything. We're gonna take a break here. This is just ridiculous. This is just ridiculous. This chop is just the worst.
It is a chop.
Oh my God, man.
And Joey said this is Diddy. What does that mean?
It's
like,
gay.
He did. Oh.
All right, we'll see what happens at 435. I have a level at 435. We'll get back on the horse here.
How do you guys know and I don't? No, I'm serious. I watch TikToks, but I've never heard that. That's crazy. Oh, really?
This is so gay.
Did you hear about the what's it called? Did you hear about that murder case with Lindsay and Lindsay something? Why? I haven't.
All right, we're looking at
I get clips on it. And
possible
it's just
sweep
like,
there.
People are saying the husband did
But
it.
we'll
Some
see.
people are saying.
This is crazy. What's up, Samby? Good morning, Abel. Revolution 29K today? Maybe. Once we get out of this consolidation chop, disgusting garbage that we have right now.
I don't know who did it. I just know that. But if she's admitting that she did it, why is there a trial? Wait a second. If he... I understand that... I mean, I've never been through postpartum. I understand that even postpartum depression makes you... I don't want to say suicidal, but it makes you kind of think that way.
Are you just talking to Patty, babe?
Yeah, sorry.
It's
why?
muted, right?
No, why?
Oh, okay, because you're not really talking to the people on chat. You're talking to Patty about like random things.
I don't know. I was telling Patty about the murder trial that's going on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
The girl who killed her 3 kids.
Yeah, and
She's a monster.
Huh?
She's a monster.
I mean, yeah.
There's nothing else. She's a monster.
I'm not saying her acts were right. I'm just simply saying that if her husband knew what was going on, because he knew what was going on from what Patty's telling me, and anyone knows that when someone goes through postpartum, there's different types of postpartum. Some of them are psychotic, some of them are not. But if he knew and he was aware of it, he should have never left his kids alone with the mom until she got help.
So are we blaming the husband now?
No, but he has a part to play in.
I mean, everybody should have watched out for the best interest of the kids, but the husband didn't kill the kids.
I didn't say he killed the kids, but he had a part to play in.
Yeah.
Because if you know... Exactly. Patty said exactly that. The fact that he knew... Yeah. I'm not searching into it because I'm good. I just see the clips. But I'm just saying, like, if you know there's not something's wrong with your spouse, I think it's time you do something about it. Don't wait till something bad happens and to say, "Oh my gosh, can't believe you did that." Like, no, you knew something was gonna happen.
Yeah, for sure.
So it's kind of like when you know someone's about to rob a bank, you're what's that called when you go to court?
An accomplice?
An accomplice, exactly. So that's just kind of what it's like with that. I mean, it sucks for all of them. Importantly, the kids.
The kids that are no longer here?
Yeah.
Of course.
I'm happy they're not suffering anymore. They're with God. it just sucks that it sucks the whole situation. I don't feel bad for the mom. I don't, because if you knew you needed help, you should have at least asked for help too. Or maybe she did. I don't know.
Babe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need you to talk a little bit more about the charts.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I just got reprimanded.
All right. All right, we're gonna get ready here. Possibly take this move down again. I'll let you guys know in a moment here. This chop here is really just getting under my skin this morning.
I'm sorry, people are actually talking about it now.
All right, if they're asking you about it, that's one thing. But I don't know if anybody's interested in.
Babe, murder trials, come on, that's the most popular thing there ever is.
All right, take the short.
Take the short, Patty.
All right, put your stop at 409.
Put the stop at 409. Okay. And then TP.
Are you kidding me right now?
Oh my gosh. Huh?
Nothing.
What's the TP?
For 258.
258.
Make it 260, just for round
260.
numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on, there's like a million comments coming.
Add another one.
Rye?
I'm adding another one.
He's adding another short.
Put it at 280. And I'm gonna put another buy limit at sell stop at 315 again.
Okay. Sell stop at 315.
Yeah.
You know what that means? You're in 3?
Yeah, I'm in 3. A fourth one will come up if we hit 315.
Wait, what? I'm in 2. When did you say that?
I hit another one. I didn't tell you, but I hit another one. If you want to hit another one, hit
in
another.
3 as well.
Okay. I just don't want you to blow your
I'm just
account.
kidding. Okay, then we're in the same. Never mind. Okay. No, don't add it there. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, you lost me for a second. You say hi to Rye.
Two?
Rye.
Ryan's here? What's up, Ryan? I didn't see him. I'm hyper focused right now on these charts, guys.
Abel said Lindsay Lohan. I don't get it. I don't know anything about Lindsay Lohan.
All right, 315. We add another here, and we're looking for the 280s to the 260s.
Oh, okay, Lindsay.
Overnight is at 240. Overnight low is at 240.
What's it called? Okay, espérate, babe.
I'm in revenge mode. Yeah, I'm gonna get this NQ. I'm gonna get the NQ for sure.
Joey says and send them both to jail. I think so too. I'm sorry. That's just what I think. Looks like it's about to manipulate according to your last 3 indecisions.
Yeah, the manipulation here has been pretty bad this morning.
Yep.
The chop has been just disgusting.
I can be asked to trade today. It's chopping a whole month with booty. Yeah, that's true. We will have to wait for a hard manipulation moment and then distribution shortly after that. Yeah. It's been non-stop. D says most men don't know what postpartum depression feels like. I'm sorry, but if you guys know about a period, menstrual cycles,
Yeah.
you guys can research. We got a technology nowadays. I refuse to believe that men can't just research how to understand a woman's body, especially if they're married. I refuse to believe
She blamed it on postpartum. Is that what she did?
What, her? No.
Yeah. Is that what her?
She admitted guilty.
Demon of an attorney is you trying to use?
Oh, I don't know. So she's trying to go to an insane asylum? That's so dumb. I mean, whatever. No, I get it. We don't really, because again, we're gonna start researching, be obsessed, and that's good. I was obsessed with the Johnny Depp one. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed, and I felt like I didn't have a life. I don't think we should flip the blame though. They both are wrong, but she was the one who did it.
All right, let's see if we can get this dumper here. Come
okay,
on.
good.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going,
I
thank
don't
you.
get it. Did it add one?
Yeah, you did. You added one.
Oh, we are 3, yeah. Where do we add this? The TP.
And keep that one open freely. We'll see what
Okay,
happens.
just keep that one freely. And then the 3 stops will be
Yeah,
at 409.
you can put one of your stops at 385. You can move them all to 385 actually.
Move them all to 385, Patty. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Praying for some continuation here.
Espérate, because I'm trying to go all the way up to these comments.
You're ovulating right now, Joey?
Oh my gosh, babe.
That's what he said.
We robbing the bank is every day in the markets. Amen, that's true. We robbing the bank? Did I read that right?
I don't know. I didn't see the comment.
We robbing the bank is every day in the markets. Wait, what? Sorry, I'm losing my mind. I feel like the bank robs us if I'm being
Come on, Q. Let's get dumpy here.
Top news says, yes, Miss Smooth is right. The husband simply ignored the signs, and that isn't right as well. Charm says, Smooth, you shorting?
I'm shorting down to 280 and 260, but what is going on right now with this manipulation? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Bro, are you really kidding me?
Lost it.
Are you kidding me right now? I'm on the verge of just breaking this damn monitor, bro. Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah, I get you. All right.
Bro, this chop this morning is just ridiculous.
All right.
We've just given back all the profit we made in the last 2 days here with this stupid chop.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, this is just ridiculous.
Samby says, there goes manipulation. And he says the next candle or two should be distribution. Abel says, no, don't trade. Charm says, bam. Samby says, perfect distribution on the downside.
Mm-hmm.
We called the AMD. Abel says, below 325 to 305. I'm going. Top news says, Smooth is into revenge mode.
No, I'm seriously pissed right now. I am so pissed right now. Yeah. I'm seriously pissed.
This market. Samby says 300 is a liquidity pool. Top news says, I also took revenge on one TPT.
Yeah.
Eval and made 1,500 after losing daily draw.
Bro, this is just stupid now.
And Acorn. I mean, Joey. Never mind. I'm not going to say that.
Bro, this is so stupid. Are you kidding me right now?
Yeah. It is kidding with us.
Did you lose your account on that?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. It sucks, man.
Samby says waiting for 310 TP.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully the liquidity pool is at 300. We have to take what we can get, ladies and gentlemen.
He didn't give us anything. Every time we enter this trade, it turns around.
It does, and that's what's frustrating about it. And yes, Pecos just was ugly, and it's been ugly for the last hour.
It's just horrible. Like, okay, I mean, I get it. You're a little chop, but man, this is just nonstop.
Sammy says, I think the comments on YouTube are delayed by a few minutes. I sent it in a few minutes ago about the manipulation. No. Yeah, I'm just taking forever to read it. Because I feel like I have 3 ears on me. I mean, 3 different voices on me. Paul says, and it was on bad news as hosted? No, how's this attack Saudi airport?
Houthis, the Houthis.
I don't know, babe.
It's alright. I know you don't know. It's fine.
Sam B says, I already got the 310 TP a few minutes ago. That's good. That's really good. Pecco says ATRs fail. Pecco's, you're Hispanic?
We got a 40 on the ATR. I didn't even notice that.
Abel says, holy, I button ticket the short TP. Oh, brother. Raphael says that candle trapped a lot of people smooth. Yeah, and it made 2 people lose their accounts today.
Well, this whole chop here has just been disgusting.
Abel says bottom tick the TP on shorts, then the same candle, the 100 points green candle. Sam B says we are in manipulation right now.
This
Mr.
is
Miss Move, don't be
horrible.
deceived by the current candle. I'm not saying I'm being deceived. I'm just like,
I'm over it, man. This is just like,
aggravated.
I really can't with this market right now.
yep. It's like I was so close to it a few times ago, but whatever, it is what it is.
Go to this website called Legends Trading.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open an account.
There's a code. Do I use your code or their code?
You're gonna use mine.
Okay.
Go to a 50K.
Right out there.
You gotta open an account with them first.
Yeah, yeah.
What are we doing here, NQ?
I don't have to put the address, right?
Address to what, babe?
I don't know. This thing's asking me for an address. So dumb.
Address to your house where you live?
Yeah.
I think you have to when you open up an account.
Okay.
This chop is for for the ages, man. This chop is definitely one for the ages.
Eval says, "Come on, Smooth. You know what to do on a day like this."
I gotta keep trying to. I gotta keep entering my setups, man, because one of them is gonna end up eventually work, and I'm just gonna sit by and look at them, and it's gonna happen. I gotta keep trying. I gotta keep trying to take the trades that I see.
I know we have to keep trying, but I'm still
It's
thinking I could get
It's
annoyed.
seriously. It's 10 o'clock. There's no reason for the chop this long. This is just crazy.
Like that. Was
Oh, here we go.
ridiculous, though.
More manipulation. Back down.
Alright, I made an account, so just shop for the thing.
It's a 50K. I think it's.
Apprentice.
No, it's the other one. 50K.
There's only one 50K.
No, there's another
That's
option
the
for it.
elite. There's a elite. There's a trade of eight.
Go to click on Elite on the right hand side,
Yeah,
and I believe it's
trade of eight or arithmetic.
Trade of 8.
Okay. And I got the 50.
And how much is it? Like $49 with code Smooth Trader. Put code Smooth Trader. Oh my god, we're about to get stopped out again.
I don't have code smooth trader right now. I'm saying it's for right now with the code that it has.
Are you kidding me right now? This thing came right back down again. Oh my lord.
I mean, I think you should
Sweet
follow
Jesus.
your trading rules, which is if it's gonna,
Sweet Jesus. I'm trading an eval. This is like not for me to be like stressing over. I could blow this thing. It doesn't matter. But come on, like can one of these trades just go in one direction long enough?
Oh yeah, it is 50 with your code.
This is just bananas, man. I've never seen an open like this. This is just insanity.
You're in a trade?
Yeah.
I thought you said once you lose a certain amount, then you're done.
That's for a funded. These are evals. I don't care if I blow an eval. That doesn't matter to me. I'm not going to treat an eval like I treat a funded. I'm trying to pass a bunch of evals. That way I can have a bunch of fundeds.
Joey said, "Smooth, check the levels I sent you. I'm begging you."
Will do, bro. You gotta be kidding me right now with this price action today. It's just the worst I've ever seen. You gotta be kidding me. This is crazy. You gotta use your, yeah, you gotta use your own. This is gonna be the most epic move ever after this chop is done. Can you look at the 5 and the 8 minute and the 15 minute? These are just doji candles upon doji candles. This is just insane. Yeah, we're playing barcode. Yes, that's what we're doing. Barcoding right now.
By the way, does this thing also do the same thing that Tradeify did, or whatever that platform was?
What is that?
Or if you make a certain amount in a day, they increase the...
Everybody does that. You have a 40% consistency, so you're not going to make more than $1,000 a day, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Almost everybody has the same rule.
Okay. Okay, ya lo hice.
You know, there's somebody out there right now that's killing this right now because they're playing the range, and I'm playing for the breakout, and this is just insane.
Do I just refresh the page or something?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, can you help me out? I don't know what I'm doing.
What's wrong?
I don't know what I'm doing. Try to open this thing.
You can't open it for me. You gotta go here to scroll down to credentials. Use your credentials.
I don't need to scroll for that.
And then you just go. Oh, I had some.
Yes.
And then you go on there.
Okay. Thank you.
No. All right. This account's either gonna get back to even here on this trade, or we're just probably gonna take it on the chin.
Right. Not sure if I want to keep trading though.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame you. Wait till after we break out of his range. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they've been psychotic.
This freaking range is crazy. Bonds are going up is the root cause of stocks going down, says Vortex. This is nuts. You're out of here?
Yeah, I'm doing this tomorrow. I can't do this today.
Yeah. This is
I
nuts.
lost count how many flipping...
How many times this has changed directions in the last hour? Yeah.
Listen, if I say another word, I'm probably just going to not be Christian.
Yeah.
All
Just,
right, bye guys.
just go. Yeah, this is wild, man. She definitely got my blood boiling this morning with this price action. Definitely got my blood boiling. Yeah. All right, baby.
Try not to go crazy.
I won't. Oh, man, I'm beyond Joey pissed. Very mature decision? Yeah, she's way more mature than I am. I'm very, very much different. I am very upset right now with this price action this morning. But thank God we're trading one account at a time, and this is an eval. So I would think we have a good chance of getting back on the green side here, but we'll see. Thanks. This is beyond crazy. We're rejecting on 382. Hope not. I'm looking for the 430s on this. VWAP has already come down to meet us. Since we're not moving, VWAP came to us. Back it up and wait. I don't know what's going on here. I really don't. This is crazy. Are you serious right now with this candle? This account is about to be toast if we only find some support here. Does not matter the direction I pick. This market just seems to go against it. I have not seen price action like this in a long time, man. This is just really, really, really bad. Not looking bueno. Five rejections. You can't make this up. No, can't. Maybe we'll go for a record of 1,000 rejections today. That 375 keeps holding the NQ down. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing really I could have done here, man. Every setup that I normally would trade, I traded. Try to be responsible with the risk management, adding into winners, and then they just turn around. Need to break these 380s. That's what we need to do. This is nuts. It's crazy. What's going on? Watch me fails. Right on time to see me get devastated by this trade. Definitely could have played this differently, but man, come on. You gotta be kidding me. All right, see if we can break above these 380s. This is really what's holding us back. If we can break the 380s, we should be able to hit the 430s. Come on, NQ. $430s. Anybody else feeling like beans being shaken in a maraca? Yeah, I do. This is the fourth time. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth time we try to tap the VWAP. Sixth time. Seventh time. Seventh time we try to tap the VWAP. Maybe 7 is a lucky number here. Man, what is going on today? I don't know. Looks like my entry now is going to end up being a target to pull back to. Thank you guys, everyone in Headlock, giving us all nuggies, yeah, and wedgies at the same time, and wet willies and titty twisters, all of that. This is a meat grinder and a half. You ain't lying. This is crazy, bro. Crazy. Seriously crazy. Push this damn thing, NQ. What's wrong with you? ES keeps getting rejected by VWAP. Is that what it's happening? And that's what's keeping us down to on the NQ? This is that's a perfect terminology. This is a meat grinder for sure. This is crazy. Come on, start taking some of these TPs here. Come on. Take some more. Take some more nibbles at it. Take some more nibbles. You know you want to. And Q's crazy. Like the high school bully putting a victim's head in a toilet and flushing it repeatedly. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. I don't know what's holding this market down. I really don't. I really do not know. I don't know what's holding it the way it is. Is it really positive Gex that's keeping it in a chokehold here? I don't know what it is. This is crazy, guys. Unreal. Come on, Inky. Just rip that VWAP already, baby. Rip that VWAP. Rip it, Inky. Rip it. This is some wild price action. The ATRs aren't even small. We had a 40 earlier. Now we got a 30, but still. Come on, NQ. All right, we got another one. Still got 5 on. I got 5 on it. Pure Live says long. Yeah, I am long right now. See if we can get a little bit more of a push here up to the 435s. Just missed the VWAP there by a stinking hair. This is insane. I have not seen anything like this in my life. Now it looks like 420 is going to become resistance here if we can't break above. That was a nice solid push there. Let's see if the buyers can continue to work their way through all this sell pressure. Let's see if they can. I know there's some profit taking there in the 430s. See if we can break it. Break it, girl. Break it. There. Great. Come on. Push. Push. Take another one. Oh, come on. That literally hit my... That hit my TP. That hit my TP. You gotta be kidding me right now. Like, that didn't miss. That hit. That even crossed over. Now how many people just took profits there? Holy smokes. I'm leaving one on. Now we dump as soon as we miss my TP. Now we dump. Gonna give us a little more room here. $478 is going to become the entry. That's like the previous day's low. Let's see if they find support there. That's crazy. That is crazy. I cannot believe that she just tickled my 435 and turned around. That is insane. Let's see how she reacts here. I might be willing to add back in here if we cross back into the positive territory, because I did think the 378 was going to end up coming back to get tested. I said that earlier. This is the craziest morning I've seen in such a long time. Crazy. This price action makes no sense. Yeah, looks like it does not want to respect 378. Massive selling coming in. Getting pushed pretty hard. That's crazy. We missed VWAP there by a few points, by the way. Insane. Yeah. What are you guys thinking? We're going to keep chopping in this stupid range the whole day? That's what it's feeling like. Missed the VWAP there by a little bit, man. She could have been off to the races there, but she's like, nah, I'm good. We still got that 240 overnight low. Maybe that's where she's going for now. It's already 11 a.m. Yep, and this is all we've seen. All we've seen is this nasty chop. See if they hold. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. This is the least we could do is get some likes on here today. If we're not going to put any green on the board due to this disgusting, nasty chop, might as well like the stream. This is an account destroyer. Yeah, there's not much strength in this move to the upside yet. I don't believe in this move to the upside just yet. There we go. Nastiest open in a while? Huh. You think? Yeah, Mo, this is pretty bad. Hold on, guys. Usually 45 minutes to an hour for chops is pure live. You think that long? Damn, here comes this nasty drop. We're about to be out of this trade here in just a moment. God knows what direction we're going to head in. Because I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. This is just manipulation after manipulation after manipulation. Whoever trades ranges is literally cleaning up right now. Or if you're micro scalping, you're cleaning up. This is wild. Yeah, Sambi, you're killing it. This is no bueno. I don't like this, but I do like the shorts here if we end up pushing down. I'm gonna try to short here because this is just not 460, 260. I'm gonna put a TP at 260 on this. I see us going down. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm looking at this level here as resistance at 383. This level has already been decimated, so I don't know. Is there anything more here? We'll have to break through 339 if we're going to go down. Any continuation? Any signs of continuation? Anything? I'm green $1 trillion today, says Acorn. Damn, Joey, you are. It goes close to 390, it will trail it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I just know that I see some things here that are playing out. And then they turn around and don't play out. So it's just, yeah, I can't call it. When the candles start moving like this, they start rubber banding. There are definitely other forces at play, which is like hedging pressure from institutions. A lot of hedging going on. $335. You're looking for SMB? I'm looking for maybe 3.25 to the downside. Bond markets are crazy right now. As long as growth keeps up, we're good. But if it growth slows, market is toast. What are we doing right now? Are we really heading right back up? Oh my god, this is wild. Are you kidding me? This is wild. This is a seriously wild price action. You can't make this up. You cannot make this up. I'm taking it off, man. Let me guess, now you're going to dump it? Now we dump it? It's like playing monkey in the middle. 419 TP next, 475 says pure live. Yeah. This is like playing monkey in the middle. I feel like the monkey. This level has been nasty today. This 415 to 420 level has been nasty resistance. There's like a big seller up there just continuously just pushing price down. Oh my lord. Keep going. Alright, next level I'm looking at for the upside is a 470. Come on, NQ, knock it off. Would not be surprised if NQ makes a full reversal now. Monkey in the middle, I'm going to wait for the price to leave the zone before playing again. Yeah, we're above VWAP now, so that's a good sign, but can we continue to push through here? Or are we going to pull all the way back to 360? Tell me. Which one will it be? All the way back to 360? What algorithm from hell did they program today? I don't know. I'm calling ICT on this one, man. This is just bad. Let's pull up Lucifer's algorithm and put it on max today for the trading community. Let's give him an underhand pitch day like yesterday, and then the next day, let's put him through the meat grinder. Don't fade me, bro, says Joey. Taking 465. Man, what is going on right now, guys? What is really going on right now? Well, we cannot get a follow through for the life of us. I think you just need to fade every high and low. That's what you need to do today. Best said, trying hard to push bonds down. Yeah, they're trying. They're trying all their tricks. All their tricks. News is out about Bassett talking. Yeah. Four-hour bears just came to power. I don't know what's up. I don't know anymore. I'm holding longs. You know, but really funny in a cruel joke kind of way. If they push price all the way down to 29,180 in like 4 minutes, so no one can trade it. They would definitely do that. U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessett bond buyback probably going to announce increased focus on fiscal consolidation. You know what would be even worse? Is if they came back down just to 396 and then came up 200-300 pounds. Night's playlist is live right now. I'll put it on in just a moment. 80 point going for 125. It says pure live. Yeah, I'm trying to hold, man. Trying to hold. This thing is not easy, bro. It's like a bucking bronco. It's like a bucking bronco. Come on, man. Come on, man. This is terrible. This is terrible, PA. It does not look good. Does not pass the sniff test. Not pass any kind of test I've ever seen in my life. This is not looking good. This is not kosher. I'll just take it off because this is BS, man. This is BS. I hit the TP. I hit the 440 VWAP level is what I hit. Let's see if 364 is going to hold or if we're coming right back down. I feel like 364 may hold. Try a little tight stop here. If it ends up coming back down, then we out of this thing, man. 364 looks real good. Crazy. Adding to your long pure live, I don't blame you. Hitting a wall? Yeah, Paul, I think we are hitting a wall. We trade and we live, Irie. I'll put on your Jamaican song, Joey. Jamaican me crazy, NQ. You should make a reggae song, Joey, called Jamaican me crazy, NQ. Am I shorting? I'm actually long from 364. I see some green diamonds on the screen here. There's some big buying that happened in this area. So I'm hoping those buyers are still active and still there. And then we could really push it back up to the 500s maybe. But this is just insane. I was willing to risk here 1 micro. And if we do rip it, then I'll add in. Jamaican me crazy. Come on. Right near the beach, baby. Today's not easy, BP? Really? I think it's very easy. Easy to blow your account. The levels are cooked. I have trader fatigue. I don't want to follow my rules. Discipline enters the chat. Yeah, thank God that I'm just trading an eval. Because I could be a little reckless on an eval. And I'm trading it one at a time. I'm not copy trading them either. So days like this were made for wrecking accounts. Yeah. You were up 2R, now you're break even? Yeah, this is not nice. Really not nice. Yeah, looks like we'll get stopped out here probably. There are no clean moves today. Everything's just opposite day. Today's opposite day. Whatever you think would work, just do the opposite. Is that how range traders trade? They just do the opposite of what normal traders do? Like, should I be buying right now? Yeah, I don't even want to guess anymore where this price is going. I really don't. We're in a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Usually, yes, it's heavy. The market makers are committing financial sodomy today. Pretty much. But I go to the seconds chart. Got it. So you basically go against conventional thinking. This is insane. All we need to do now is megaphone. If we megaphone, this market's toast. Yeah, range traders sell high and buy low. Everyone else is buying high and selling low. I like to enter trades somewhere in the middle with momentum and ride it to the highs. That's what I like to do. I like to fiddle in the middle. You just establish the range and buy the bottoms and sell the tops. Well, let's do that then. Let's just do that. How about that? Let's just buy right now. And the time I buy the lows, it dumps for 5,000 points. $348 adding to your long. Damn, Pure Live, you're really into those longs, man. Those longs got you knee deep. You're knee deep in longs. Yeah, here goes the dumper. We are dumpering. So now you go long right here. Now this is where range traders go long. It wants shorts. I mean, that's what I thought earlier. But when I'm not in it, that's when it'll go. Financial sodomy is correct. Treasury buyback through yields down 4.7 to 4.63, but now we are above 4.7 again. This might be a bad for long term, but best it can't keep it below 5. Above 5, entire market will crash. Weren't we above 5 earlier in the week or last week? We were above 5. I think it was on the 30. It wasn't on the 10. It was on the 30. I'm so confused about what this market wants to do. If anybody knows, please drop it in the chat. We'll try your idea here, chat. We'll buy the bottom and sell the tops. Could be some resistance at 417. Again, for the 100th time. We're getting some trap shorts right now. Getting some trap shorts. Let's see if it'll roll. Tootsie roll. Will it Tootsie roll all the way back up? Yeah, our debt is mathematically impossible to pay off. Think about that. Imagine if your mortgage to your house was mathematically impossible for you to pay off. Man, I don't trust this NQ more far as I can throw it. I don't trust it. I don't trust this NQ, man. Did you get a guess? It pulls back to 670 area and then back down to 320 area, says Sambi. Up over 6K, says Pure Life. Over 5K. Good for you. That's amazing. Good for you. You must do really well in these chop markets. 270s and back down to 320, says Sambi. New song for Smooth is created, posted in the main chat. Did you really, Joey? I gotta put on Ryan's playlist too. I'll put on this one while we look for the other one. Yeah, man. Right near the beach. All right, world premiere. Joey's Jamaican me crazy. Thank you. Jamaican me crazy, thank you. I don't know if you guys can hear the funky jams. Can you guys not hear it still? Is it too low? Chop Chop Suey? Yeah, it says Chop Chop Suey. This is good. We got a guest trader joining us today, guys. Oh, that was good, Joey. I really like that, bro. Now let's hear some of Joey's South Korean music. That was really good, man. That was really good. Thank you for that. Let's see if we get a little pumper here to 415 again. I hope we can get that 415 move to the upside. I added a second contract to see if we can hit. It'd probably be toast here though, because you guys told me to buy the bottoms and sell the tops. But when I do it, it doesn't work out. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Oh, chop. ES just took highs and NQ is lagging. Yeah, it's terrible, isn't it? This is terrible. I want my money back, NQ. I'm about to talk to your manager, NQ. Yeah, this is crazy. I do what you guys told me, man. I bought the bottoms. Joey says, I'm a range trader and I'm sick of this. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I might, if this trade here doesn't work out, I'm just going to take a break here and wait for this thing to break out of this range. Because I can't. I can't keep trading this, man. This is just horrible. Wow, Weeble ripped. Holy smokes. I don't know what happened with Weeble, but it ripped. Yeah, man. I think we're done with the upside now because I went short. I went long, so we're done with the upside. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're done. We're done here. All right, I took it off. Yeah, very nice, thank you. Very nice. Very nice. I'm very, very happy. I'm very happy, thank you. Ray. Guys, we got a guest trader that's going to jump on with us today. Get his take on this crazy market. His name is JD. He was introduced to me by one of our Discord members, and he has his own YouTube channel. He's a pretty decent trader, so I wanted to bring him on here. See what he can make heads or tails of what's going on today. Yeah, I can't talk about that here, Joey. Nice song, Joey. Nice song. Joey got all the jams, man. Market's dumping now. It just does not want to do anything good. Yo, JD. Can you hear me, brother? Testing. Can you hear me? All right, guys. We are dumping. It looks like this market is going here without me. I don't care. I don't even care anymore. I don't even care, man. I don't, bro. I don't care. JD Vance, yeah. It's JD Vance is coming on stream. He's going to talk about, a couple things. Good and bad. I can't say any political jokes. Everybody gets their feathers in a ruffle. All those feathers get ruffled down here. It becomes a mess. Yo, JD, can you hear me? Look alive out there, JD. Make Mo ass great again. Yeah, yeah. Make Mo's ass great again. All those couch pillows, her ruffled. I don't know what that means. A lot of snowflakes get melted on here though when we do talk about politicking. Yo, JD. JD can't answer the phone. He's preoccupied right now. His voicemail came on and said, sorry guys, I can't answer the phone right now. I am getting decimated by the market. Get ruffled? Oh, yeah. Smooth is a habitual feather ruffler. Yes, I am. When I'm coming on stream. Whenever you get over your stage fright, Joey, I'm about to give you an Ambien so you can come on here and just be like, all right, I'm cool, I'm chill, I'm all right. I'm good. I think Joey's worried that Mo might actually find his whereabouts. He might accidentally expose his location and dox himself if he comes on here. Now the market is dumping, and now we're heading back down to 258, possibly a 240 overnight low. And yeah, that's when I want to punch NQ in the face, because that's the trade I've been looking for here for a while. And I don't know what happened. Oh, man. JD, I tried, man. I really did, man. I tried, JD. I tried, bro. I've been on this call now for about a minute, JD, and I can't, man. Can't do it. I can't do it, bro. Let's hear some funky music, white boy. Let's hear some funky music, aka Ryan's playlist. Is that too loud, guys? I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Is that good right there? Or is that too low? Shout out to Ryan. If you guys want to hear this playlist, it is in our Discord. I think Ryan posted it in our main chat. Let me see if he posted in our main chat. Yeah, he posted in our main chat. He did. Watch him call white boy. You have to make your wife a sandwich? A sandwich? Oh, man, what are we doing? Guys, hit the likes. Maybe we'll do a giveaway at least. Maybe can't make any money here, but maybe I'll give some away. And if you're a scammer, please do not pump the likes, because I'm on to you, scammers. By the way, in order to win a giveaway, you guys had to have said at least one word in your entire life here in the Discord, in the chat. Because I think we're coming across some scammers who are just coming on here to get free giveaways. I'm on to you, scammers. I'm on to you. I'm on to you. All right, we're gonna try JD one more time here. We're gonna try JD one more time. One more time, JD. Here's the last chance, JD. Look at this market go. Got some trap traders down here. Hey, what's up, JD? Can you hear me? Awesome. Let me turn the volume up just a hair. Hold on. Oh, no, where you at? Here we go. All right, guys, can you hear JD? I'm sure you're good now. Try say hello or something.
Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well.
Yes, we could have been. There's been better days. Let's just say that.
Oh yeah, you guys are down.
Yeah, you see this market today?
Yeah, I managed to catch 2 wins, up 2,900 right now.
Yeah, you're up 2,900. Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
dude,
I managed to snipe 2 wins. But definitely choppy today. We just took the low though, but
yeah.
I was expecting us to go lower all day, and ended up taking 2 longs off what market was telling me. So you never know.
Yeah, I'm thinking if this market wants to continue heading down, maybe to that overnight low at 240, a good place for a short could be here in these 350s. Hold on one second, JD. Hold on. What's up, babe?
Yeah, no problem.
All right, so I'm back, brother. You think we continue lower here, or what are your thoughts on this crazy market that we call?
I mean, to be honest, I'm looking at it right now. I see that at around 9:36, we had the big move up, ended up rebalancing that whole bearish leg here, kind of giving us a little pullback, and we've been kind of chopping ever since.
Mm-hmm.
We did just recently around 11, or at exactly 11, actually create a SMT with ES, which means ES took the high at 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
So the way I see it is either the indices are trying to push higher here, following the rest of the market,
Yeah.
or can indicate that targets have been met, and now we can kind of go lower. Is the way I kind
Yeah.
of see it right now.
Look at that 1125 candle and 1126 candle and 1127. Those three candles right there. Do you see any indication there of some trap shorts? It looks to me like there could be.
In you
11,
said
11,
11:26.
1125 to 1127. Those three candles? Because I'm thinking there could be some trap shorts there, but I also think this could be a continuation down.
Oh no, definitely, definitely. There could definitely be some trap shorts there. The way I kind of see it is, I always wait for the market kind of tell me what it wants to do. That's what I always say.
Mm-hmm.
And right now, all I'm seeing is a bearish slight retracement around the 1 minute. The way for me to say, okay, this was definitely trap shorts would be to kind of break structure to the upside in the sense where it kind of gets some bullish market structure to come back to
Yeah.
us. And then from there, I'll say, okay, next time we trap shorts, I'll be eager to click long, but right now this looks like bearish retracement to me. Definitely trap shorts on the ones that were a bit late to the move here, that kind of maybe FOMO'd in at the bottom there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the way I'm seeing it
Yeah,
right
it does
now. I
kinda-
mean,
yeah,
to
it
be
does.
honest, I'm tempted to enter shorts right now.
Are you really? Yeah, I'm waiting for 350 to 360 to enter short off of rejection there on the that looks like a little bit of what do you guys call it? I know some people call it like a little range, or a little range there. It's volume basically is what I'm looking at around 360. A lot of stop losses in that area, so I'm thinking it could come back to that area 350, 360s, and then head back down. But you're thinking shorts also down to overnight low, or where?
Uh, Overnight low is definitely a target. Me, I like to take my money. So if I were to enter now, I didn't enter, but it is my model. I could have entered, and if I did enter, I probably would have taken most off at the 11:25 low.
Mm-hmm.
Just because I don't want to push my luck too much, and then maybe
Yeah.
left a runner or two to go take out this overnight.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I like to secure a little faster. So I have two trading styles where I will swing or day trade,
Mm-hmm.
but they're very polarized in the sense where when I swing trade, I'll be in for days, and I'll be very flexible. Whereas when I day trade, I'll try to take my base hits, not try to not expose myself to these markets, especially since Trump took office. When it was Biden, it was different, but now with Trump, especially if you're trying to long, right now it's
Mm-hmm.
not as bad because we're trying to short. But it seems like every time I try to long with Trump in office, I just get news wrecked by something that he says. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not safe out there for anyone.
But yeah, I see now we got a big move down here.
Yeah. What are you trading on, props, or are you using your own capital?
So I've been trading for 8 years. I used to trade my own capital for a long time, but for the past year, no, I've actually been talking about this on my Discord this morning. But for the past like 6 months, I haven't traded my own capital at all, just because the risk is so much, and the return on investment can be so great with these prop firms that
Yeah.
I don't see the need to risk my own capital. And there we go, TP would have been hit right there.
Yeah, look at that. It says it's moving. It's moving.
That right here would have been my where I take like 75% to 80% of the move, but I'm already 2 trades in. I'm definitely looking to take maybe another one here on this eval that I got. Just got an eval for this here, and but yeah. Overall, I do have my FTMO accounts that are quite substantial, but they're much more expensive.
Yeah.
But I do recommend yeah, other than that, man, just prop firm cycle is what I do right now. What about you?
Yeah, props for the most part. I started trading when I first started trading futures. I did use brokerage accounts, and I learned the hard way that that gets pretty expensive really fast. So
Yeah.
yeah, stick to the prop firms. But what account sizes are you using, and what are you putting on each trade? How much risk are you putting on each trade?
So right now, I'm mainly using 25Ks. The reason is that I find that they're just better.
Mm-hmm.
In my opinion, let's say on a 150K, and that's basically universal with any prop firms. Usually on a 150K, you have to make 9,000 without losing 6,000,
Yeah.
which is or without losing 4.5 thousand. It depends on the prop firm, which is
Yeah.
roughly like a 2 to 1 or 1.5 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas usually when you go down to the 25Ks, it'll be like you have to make 1250 without losing 1,000,
Yeah, the
which
ratio is
is
way
a
better.
better kind of ratio. So
Mm-hmm.
I like to get that better ratio on my side. I always say with trading, everything's against you.
Mm-hmm.
So any probability that I can, I'll put it on my side. But definitely the 25K. Sometimes I'll get 50Ks, and then yeah, I just rotate those. And then risk on evals, I'm very advanced. I don't recommend this for beginners, but on evals, I risk pretty heavy.
Yeah.
I tend to want to pass them in a day or two, as fast as possible, really, depending on if there's consistency rules.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if you're new, I would suggest on a 25K with 1,000 drawdown, probably risking maybe 150 to 200, get used to it.
Yeah.
And then once I'm funded, I go to my usual 150, $200 risk on the 25Ks.
Oh, you're trading micros on those? Obviously, right?
It depends. I go with flexible, so I put my stop loss where my trade will be invalidated,
Mm-hmm.
meaning let's say I'm bearish, I'll put it at the nearest high,
Mm-hmm.
and whatever amount of contract that is, I just I let TradingView calculate that for me.
Mm.
So sometimes it'll be one mini, sometimes it'll be one micro, sometimes it'll be anywhere in between.
So,
Today I entered a trade with two minis because the stop was so tight.
really? Wow.
Yeah.
What are
So
you using as far as your entry model, or what are you using as far as your strategy?
So I like I call my strategy the JD model.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that I kind of developed over my 8 years of training
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
where because every individual is different and the market kind of changes over time.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of an adaptive model where you basically just work your way down. So I go trend on the bigger time frame, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, which is why today I'm not super eager to press long. I did this morning because market open provides so much volatility.
Yeah.
But overall, like after 10, I'd say follow trend. And then I have my drawn liquidity, which is usually what the market's telling me. So like right now, the market is so bearish that I would just be aiming lower basically, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's in line with my trend. And then from there, I go to my bias. My bias could be for us to go a bit higher before we drop. It's not because the trend is bearish and my drawn liquidity is lower that I'm just gonna press sell right away.
Yeah.
So my bias might be, okay, let's say I'm looking at this right now. I would want price to go up maybe 10 points and then drop, right? And then from there, I like to use the Fibonacci retracement tool.
Mm-hmm.
Um, with a premium and discount theory, which is basically when price is above that halfway point, you're in premium. When it's below, you're in discount.
Yeah.
And I don't need price to be, let's say, in discount to buy or in premium to sell, but I want price to have gone back there and rejected, showing that the market is still on our side for the bears, let's say.
Yeah.
And then from there, any candle entry confirmation could be a candle engulfing, could be a CRT, could be a big wick rejection, and then from there I just enter on confirmation. So I kind of just work down my time frames. I make sure that the market's on my side, that every probability is on my side, and then if I get stopped out, I mean it happens, right? No strategy has a 100% win rate, but I've been seeing a lot of success with this lately. So
Yeah.
very
So
happy.
tell me more about your level that you enter on. Give me a little bit more insight on that. The levels that you like to look at for entries.
So if everything is on my side, I'll
Mm-hmm.
take the last leg that we had. Meaning, if
Do you want to
if
share
I
your
were to look at
screen?
your screen right now, I
You
can't share my screen.
you can
Yet.
share your screen. Okay. I'll put your screen on. You see, there's a button there that you can share your screen. Should be a button there you can share.
On
Yeah,
the
I see.
stream or
Yeah. No. You're actually sharing right now, so I see it. Okay.
okay, cool.
Let me open that up. Give me a sec. Let me put it up for you.
Right in my Discord really quick that I'm live right now. In
All
here.
right. Okay, cool.
Kind of forgot to do that a little bit, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you on 1 second. I'm trying to find the right window.
Very good. No problem. Yeah, so super bearish. We do have these equal lows as well, sitting from today's New York session low
Yeah.
with another low. Might actually be interesting to short here soon.
It's crazy.
Yes, it's super bearish as well. God damn. Thank you for having me, by the way. I don't know if I said it, but I appreciate
No
that.
worries, no
Appreciate
worries,
it a
man.
lot.
Thanks for coming on. Yeah, we always like
Of course.
different people's perspectives on the markets because it's hard enough. There we go. Okay.
It really is hard, to be honest. This line of work is definitely not for the weak-hearted. It's
Oh, no.
you have to be willing to put in the time, the tears, and the.
Yeah, let me put your entire screen on. I have your screen on now, but let me put the entire thing on.
Very cool.
Oops, that's wrong. All right. The only thing I ask is when you're referring to something, try to zoom in as much as possible so people can see it pretty clearly.
All right. Yeah.
All right, you're on. You're good. Yeah, we see your screen perfectly now.
All right. So, the trade that I had said before, by the way, was this one here, but you're asking me basically what I'm looking for when it comes to my lower time frame entries, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, because I said that overall, I'm looking for the overall trend. So, like, let's say today, if we're looking at this right here, we can see that the market was going down pretty intensely, right? And then we had the pullback here, right here, and then now we're kind of just we had the chop from before, move up the SMT here, meaning the S&P 500 took this high, which are two correlated assets,
Yeah.
and then from there we had the drop, right? And now we're back into kind of a bullish program here on our lower time frame. So from there, I like to see a small retracement here on our 1 minute. Let's say from this last leg. This is what I call a leg, which is basically we had a big a retracement and then it moved down that closed below the last low. It can't just wick through it. It actually closed the candle below. So what that means is that now we're like market is showing strength to the bears, right? And now I'm just looking for the retrace because trends move like this,
Yeah.
right? So ideally, I want to try to position myself to enter at these areas, not like here if I'm going short.
Correct.
So
Smart move.
this is kind of what I use my Fibonacci retracement tool for. Like right here, now we did tap into that premium area for shorts that I was saying. This is premium here, and this is down here discount.
What time frame is that?
This is on the 1 minute here.
Okay.
So we had our move down, and then it came back into our area of premium basically, and now we get nice confirmation that the market's ready to go lower again. So now if we can get maybe one more move like this, could be interesting for me to slap a short here with the stop at this high.
Yeah.
And it provides very good risk to reward. Take my profits at this low, which is a 3 risk to reward. So for every dollar I risk, I made 3. And then can leave some runners to go down to here for a 9 risk to reward.
Which level are you looking at? Say that again, because I'm looking at my chart trying to follow you.
Give us
the
the latest TP is 29,240. The base
240?
hit TP, which is first TP, would be 29,276.
Okay.
And currently price is at 29,286. So I don't know if we have the same exact price. But
Yeah, I'm looking at 240s for the overnight low, and I have a pocket of support possibly at 258. So yeah, those levels down there, I'm looking at just as you are. Very interesting levels. And,
yeah, definitely. Are you short right now?
I took a little short right now just to start building this position, but I would like to add another one if we came back up to 332. But if not, then we just take a little small move to the downside here. So a trade like this, let's just say if you put a trade like this on, you would enter in on a pullback and come in with 1 or 2 contracts, depending on the stop loss size, and then you would ride that down just like you explained.
Exactly, yes. And I work with a fixed daily loss limit that I set myself that I'm willing to accept in my brain, because
Yeah.
sometimes, if you go too high, you're gonna want to make it back, all that revenge trading, over trading, and all that. And me, in my own head, is, so I have a bunch of account, but
Yeah.
me, around $400-500 per account
Hmm.
is maximum. Meaning, if I'm very confident on a setup and I lose, let's say 200 on it, I can try it again, or
Yeah.
250. But then if I hit 500, that account has to be gone for the day, forgotten, and just.
Yeah. But that's
So right
only
here,
on your
this is my
fundeds.
basic TP. Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And 500 is already a lot for a
Hmm.
25K funded,
Hmm.
so. But like I said, I like to kind of risk it a little bit more, because that is what pays my bills, right? So I don't want to
Hmm.
be wasting my time too much. I am advanced. If you're newer, I really don't recommend doing that, right? Because you want to practice the skill first, the money will come second.
Hmm.
So I like to say, just stick to it. But like me, I like to kind of rotate through them a little bit faster, maybe, than the usual person, because
Yeah.
I do want the payout to come in at some point.
So explain to us how you managed to stay out of this chop this morning, and you were able to catch some of those shorts. Or maybe you can walk us through those two trades you took.
Yeah. So funny enough, I took two longs this morning. So there they are. I don't know if they're, you guys can see them on the screen here and here.
Okay. You took
So
one on the open.
yeah, right here was at 9:35. This one was basically just market has been consolidating, big bullish displacement here, telling me that we're ready to go higher. I had a area here, which is my premium, like I said,
Hmm.
with my Fibonacci retracement tool.
Yeah.
So I figured price was trying to go there. So on the pullback, it made a bunch of wicks here, and then it took out all these wicks and came back. So on a 1 minute time frame, I entered here on the pullback of kind of after taking out all those wicks that
Yeah.
I call inducement. Inducement is what I call it, because it induces people to FOMO into trades,
Yeah.
and then their stop loss and whatever goes there, their entry, and they get stopped out.
Hmm.
So on bullish confirmation here, I entered because I knew the volatility was high, and I took everything off at this high.
Yeah.
It was near the open. I didn't want to leave anything up to chance, so I took everything off at this high here, this nearest high that we have.
Yeah.
And I could have probably held longer, but I'm happy with this. And my stop loss isn't even at the low, right? I gave it a bit of room.
Hmm.
And then the second trade here is basically the same thing, but right, we had the candle coming down, taking out all this inducement here, which is these two lows that are close to each other here.
Yeah.
For people that went long a bit too soon, we have these relative equal highs up here that act as a kind of good magnet for price.
Hmm.
And then on bullish confirmation here, this is super bullish, right? This
Yeah.
big
Of course.
bullish candle engulfing here, right? And then pull back into, again, always the close, at least, to our discount.
Yeah.
And then on 10 a.m. open as well, which is a very important level for me, which is the 10 a.m. open,
Hmm.
which is the new 4-hour candle that opens at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
It's open price, and then it bounced off it, and I just had a limit order right there with the stop. I had a hard stop at the low here, but realistically, I said that if price closed below this candle, like bearish, and the candle closed down here, I would get out. So
Okay.
it was anywhere near here, really, my stop loss,
Hmm.
and then I took my profits at the equal highs again.
Okay. Yeah. Funny
And
enough, I answered both those longs too, but I entered a lot of other trades besides those two. But go
yeah,
ahead.
those longs were clean, and
Yeah.
I even said this morning in my Discord, I was like, I'm probably not gonna press long today. But then after these two big bullish candle here, I was like,
Oh
yeah,
yeah. Yeah.
I'll have,
Of
you
course.
can't fit what the market's telling you either.
Yeah. Of course. If the market's telling you something else, you marry your bias, and you're in trouble.
Oh yeah, 100%. And you can't fight the market. The market will win
Hmm.
10 times out of 10.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's awesome. So then, do you ever add into your trade, or you just size in with the position you want?
Sometimes I add into, but usually I'll add into, let's say if I'm in a runner
Hmm.
and it makes my model again, then I'll re-add the contract that I already took out,
Hmm.
type of thing. Like
Yeah.
let's say I was in this short here with my stop loss down here, let's say, and I entered on this candle here.
Yeah.
I get out here, and then it comes back, and then it starts making my model here again. I might enter a contract here to then cash the move that goes to the downside, right?
Yeah. So with those two trades, you banked about 2 grand, over 2 grand, I think you said 26,
Uh,
2,900.
2,900,
That's
yeah.
nice, dude. Yeah, good for you, man. Very,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
accomplished
yeah.
trader you are. So the
I
chat has a couple questions for you. Maybe. I'm sorry. Go ahead. You were saying?
no, you go ahead. You go ahead.
Yeah, I think the chat has a few questions. You are known as JD Trades, right, on YouTube? Because one of our people here is asking, is that JD Trades?
I am JD Trades. Yeah.
Some people thought you were JD Vance, and that's not, I'm not even joking. They're like, is that JD
No,
Vance?
no. I'm JD Trades 21 on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Joey said, Mr. President's an honor. He's funny. He's always messing with.
I wish I was JD Vance.
Yeah, you wouldn't have to trade. Yeah, these politicians, man, they're the best traders I've ever seen in my life. All these politicians got in on Moderna like last month. All of a sudden, it pops up 10,000%. I don't know how
Yeah,
they do
it's just random as hell. Huh? I'm almost a little suspicious, I might say.
it. You would think, right? What are the odds?
It's like Barron Trump buying buying crypto right before it goes 1,000x before Donald Trump makes a tweet about it. I mean,
I know.
it's really not insider trading in my book, but
Yeah, I'll sign up to their course any day.
yeah. Didn't they joke about making $100,000 Discord at some point?
No, it's not a joke. It's real. They have 100,000. Trump charges $100,000 for a 10-second, I think it's 10 seconds, advanced news on his True Social app. So you know how you tweet stuff on True Social all the time, right? And then it moves the markets. So you'll have a 10-second, like head start, which you can program your algos to do whatever you got to do, and then he's charging $100,000 a month for that. It's true. It's actually real news.
What?
Yeah, dude. I'm like, talk about your like. I mean that has to be illegal. I think there's some people.
It's definitely illegal.
It's illegal, but you know what? Nobody in Congress will speak up because they're all guilty of the same thing. They're all insider trading. So like, if you're a criminal, what are you gonna expose another criminal? There might be one or two of them who don't. Like, maybe Ron Paul's son. But there's like only like a few cowboys that don't do that. But the rest of them are all dirty. So of course nothing's gonna happen. Not from either aisle.
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah, let's see what
it'd be dumb of them to expose.
It would be like they're gonna end up on their that's their golden goose, and they're gonna kill their own golden goose.
And they're probably in that Discord too, just waiting for that 10 seconds to advance.
They probably all signed up to it. Everybody in Congress is probably signed up to it. Paul Pelosi's the one that's like he's got a whole algorithm going on it already probably.
Dude, if I had millions, I don't see why I wouldn't even do it. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
This makes like, but yeah.
Yeah, it's wild, man. It's wild what these guys do.
It is wild.
Yeah, it looks like the market's reversing now. I might fill my 332 short. I already have one on, but I'm averaging in another at 332. We'll see if it. That's my only average. I usually don't do that, but in this case, I really wanted to get into this this short here down to possibly the 250s, 240s. But this market today has just been surprise. Yeah, surprise all morning. So we'll see.
If it rejects from my premium area here, I might actually end up joining the shorts with you here.
Yeah.
Oh, the candle closed a little bit bullish here. Damn it.
Yeah, it's a little bullish though.
But ES did close the way I would have wanted it to.
Just missed my ad. Just missed it by a hair there, but normally it doesn't. It won't leave me. Tell us.
You're live on Smooth Trader TV right now, right?
Yeah, Smooth Trader TV. Yeah, we're live on mobile and horizontal. I didn't go live today on Twitch or Kick, but I'm gonna turn that on right now. I forgot to do that. Let me go start now.
How come I'm seeing the horizontal on my PC?
You're seeing horizontal or vertical? Which
vertical. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, you're only seeing vertical?
Yeah.
Oh, then go to the horizontal view. Go to our channel and go on the horizontal view. The vertical one is not as busy. We have barely anybody in the vertical. That one's kind of just for once in a while we'll get like a boost of viewers. There was one day we got like 20,000 views on vertical.
That's why you said there was people asking questions in the chat. I was like, I'm not seeing anybody asking questions in the chat, man. I was like, where's this chat?
It's imaginary chat.
Oh, okay. Sorry. There we go. Now I'm caught up. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Yeah, so because you probably didn't even see your screen, or did you?
Yeah, I didn't, but I was like, you know what, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna start,
Yeah. No, you're good. You're on
good,
now.
Cam. Oh shit! All right, we're here.
Yeah.
All right, so I am actually interested in joining these shorts. We did have a sweep there.
Yeah. Cam's on here. You're one of your boys. He says you're his mentor. What's up? What's good?
Hell yeah, what's up, Cam? Good to see you here, man. Yeah, we were just having our session in my Discord meeting.
Yeah.
If this candle rejects, I will add on to the show, but I'll add down here on the market, kind of proving to me that it does want to reject. The risk reward is still good.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it.
I'm getting mixed signals right now. This sucks. I'm getting some bullish signals too. But we'll see
Yeah.
we'll see how it reacts once it hits the 330s, and then we'll make a decision.
Yo, JD Vance, what's up? Yo, what's up, April? JD model on the way? Hell yeah, Cam. You already know. I kind of like this rejection we're getting though from this wick rejection here at 1152, or the wick from 1152.
Yeah.
Nice sweep here. The only issue with this is that they take the low, but also we are super bearish. It doesn't really matter that much. ES closed super bearish here past these lows, and Q is just kind of lagging a little bit. It did as well, but it is definitely retracing right now. It did miss a 10 a.m. open here by a hair as well.
Yeah.
But it's coming up here a little strong. Wouldn't mind this 5-minute taking the previous 5-minute high and then dropping. This could be something that's interesting as well.
Yep.
To partake into.
Yeah. So let's keep the chat entertained here. Tell us about the biggest tilt day you've ever had. You've been trading for 8 years, so I'm sure you have your share.
Yeah. The biggest tilt day I ever had was when I first started, and I've told this on my YouTube, but it wasn't actually a tilt day, but it was more of a humbling day.
Oh yeah, we've had those.
Tilt days, I never really had many because I started trading with live accounts, so if I were to tilt, I'd lose the whole live account. Now I did lose over 20K in live accounts, but it wasn't really tilt. It was just kind of knowledge, that I didn't have.
Yeah.
In the sense that I entered a trade and then Russia banned whatever I entered the trade on, so I lost 5K that day and stuff like that. In like 2 seconds, I didn't have a stop loss. I lost the whole account.
Yeah.
But the biggest humbling / tilt day, we'll call it, was I had just met my now fiance, and I had just started trading more seriously. I was like 3 years into trading. No, I was 2 years into trading, and I thought I was doing good strides. I had my live account at like $4,000. And I just wanted to flex on her, so we went to, like the Tim Hortons, which is basically like a Dunkin' Donuts here in Canada.
Yeah.
Where I'm at.
I'm familiar with it.
And okay. And so I was like, all right, what do you want, whatever. And then the bill was like $12. I was like, look, I'll pay for this shit right now. Pulled out my phone to open MetaTrader. Back then I was trying out MetaTrader, and then I ended up, what's it called? I ended up entering the trade, like a random trade, right? I thought I was too good for the market. I ended up entering a random trade to make $15 to pay so that she could see that I can make money, like that.
Yeah.
And then I ended up losing the whole account. It never went up. I ended up losing the whole account, and I ended up driving off at the drive-thru because I didn't have money to pay.
Holy smokes.
For the bill. So yeah, she's still with me. So this is why she's a day one, and I love her so much. And the most important thing in my life. And
that's beautiful, man. She's a ride or die.
Hell yeah. She saw that and she said, you know what, I'm gonna stay, which is crazy to think about. Crazy to think about.
If she's good at, she has an eye for good qualities in people. Maybe she can pick cheap stocks too. You ever give her a shot to pick some cheap stocks?
Yeah, that's true. JD trades a fellow Canuck. Where you at, bro? I'm out here in Berta. I'm in Quebec.
Yeah.
I'm in Quebec. Yeah, I really want to move out for tax purposes though.
We got a lot of Canadians in our chat. We got Mo up there, Armana, who's our main mod. He's been with me since day one. We have a lot of Canadians here in the chat.
Good
people.
For you guys.
Good people, those Canadians, man.
Yeah, I went to Costa Rica recently to try to see if moving there would be a good fit, and it would be. But I'm gonna press the brakes a bit on that here because we do want to build a life at some point. So gonna have to see what's going on. Maybe paying the 57% in taxes will have to happen for a year or two.
In Canada, you mean?
Yeah, I have 57% tax.
You ever think about moving to Puerto Rico?
I did, but apparently if you're not American, it's much harder.
Yeah, you gotta start a business here. You gotta bring some kind of equity to the country to get one of those visas.
Yeah. Are you in Puerto Rico?
No, I'm in Florida. Florida's the next best thing to Puerto Rico because we don't have any state income tax.
Okay.
So we don't have to pay anything to the state. But most other states, like where I used to live in Jersey, you pay the state and you pay the IRS. So you have two
Oh
tax
yeah.
bills. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are the same thing with Providence in your country, if you pay both or.
I pay 57% income tax, and then I pay 15% tax on everything I buy, and then I
Oof.
pay property tax, school tax, and yearly tax on everything, and then I pay condo fees tax and house tax,
Yeah.
and basically, I don't even know how I'm not homeless.
It sounds a lot like California, man. California is just highway robbery. Canadians are right there, man. You guys are very progressive in your. I mean, you guys get free healthcare, but you're paying for you're paying for it. You're paying for yours and everybody else's.
Oh
It,
yeah, you're
it,
paying for healthcare, and it's not free because. We do pay for it, and the wait time is unbelievable. I mean, people die because they can't really access it in
oh,
time, because it is free. So or you have to go private anyways, right?
yeah,
So
that's socialism for you.
yeah, literally.
It's crazy. Yeah. So maybe what do you like about Costa Rica, man? It's beautiful. The lifestyle there is amazing. What do you like about it?
Yeah, it was well when I went, it was absolutely amazing, right? And the only issues that arose, obviously, but that's gonna come at some point.
Mm-hmm.
But no, the Costa Rica is amazing, man. I got nothing wrong to say about it. That was one of the best vacations I've had in my life. I even ended up going. I was lucky enough to be able to go with my fiance's side of the family, with
Mm-hmm.
basically her brother, her sister, her mom, and stuff. And no, it was really, really awesome.
Is she Costa Rican?
No,
No.
she's like me. Yeah,
Okay.
no, we just went there. I discovered myself a nice passion for surf.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a good place to
Yeah.
be for that.
Oh hell yeah. What about you?
Well, I live in Florida, but I'm originally from Guatemala. I was born here when I was, back in the day. But I came here when I was like 4 or 5 years old. Lived in Jersey for about 35 years. After COVID, I just got sick and tired of the, everything being so political and expensive up there. It's just terrible. I was running a real estate company I owned, and I sold it, and I moved down to Florida, and then I just had to reinvent myself. So that's when I started picking up trading, and here we are.
Love that.
Yeah, here we are. I mean, I don't get me wrong, Florida's great, and I love it here. And I probably am living in one of the best places I could live in the whole country. But I do miss those Jersey seasons, man. I know you guys have seasons up there in Canada too, but when you go somewhere
Yeah.
tropical, you just get heat and summer pretty much all. You get hot and hotter all year long. Is basically
Oh
what
yeah,
you
no,
get.
definitely, definitely. And I heard Florida is next level of hotness. It's sometimes it can get pretty crazy.
Yeah, you guys are not used to it. You guys would not be used to it. It gets pretty hot
Well,
down here.
funny enough, this summer we've had 40 degrees Celsius, which is which is a lot for when
40
you're here.
degrees? Wow, that is a lot.
Yeah,
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 that's crazy.
which
Yeah,
is
you guys get all
yeah.
types of
Oh yeah, we
weather. But your
yeah,
cold, your winters are harsh, man. I've been to Montreal in for New Year's. Oh man, that's next level
yeah,
cold, bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely sometimes it could get a little chilly, which is nice because now, I mean, like before I was a trader, I was basically I was bouncer at a nightclub and I was cooking in a restaurant, but I was also a carpenter.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, and then I went to go get my firefighter degree, and then I got into trading and all that. But when I was a carpenter and it was minus 40 degrees Celsius outside,
Hmm.
you still got to build that house, you know.
Oh yeah,
So
they don't
your
care.
finger starts freezing and you can't really move. But now that I'm trading, whatever the temperature's outside, I just look at it through my window
Yeah,
and I think, oh my God, thank God
that's
I'm not outside.
you're like, that's cool. Yeah, same thing with construction here in Florida. If it's 100 degrees out, somebody's got to put a roof on the house. It's crazy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And people are falling left to right from heat strokes, but
Mm-hmm. A lot of
yeah.
Canadians here in my town in Florida. A lot of Canadians. A lot of
Oh yeah.
expats. Yeah, man. I've got Vancouver. One of my friends here, he moved here from Vancouver, and he lives here now most of the year. He goes back once in a while, but he loves it here.
In Vancouver is cool. Vancouver is expensive,
Yeah, it is.
but the salary is also much higher, so
Mm-hmm.
it kind of makes up for it. But Vancouver, I went there once very quickly, kind of on a layover,
Yeah.
and I was there like for like hours, and I
Mm-hmm.
was like, dude, like, this is different.
Our our main mod here, he's from one of the islands off of Vancouver. You know, like those little they call them the Canadian Hawaiian Islands. You know what
Dude,
I'm
I
talking about?
didn't even know that was a thing. Is that a thing?
Yeah. I forget the name of his island. It starts with like a Gowani or something like that. It's it's very much native Indians kind of live there still, but
Okay.
he's German and he moved there and he married one of the native girls and he loves it, bro. He's like he's in paradise. The pictures he
That's
showed me are out
awesome.
of this world. It definitely looks like something that's AI.
Wow. Yeah, that's
If you look up
I,
the Canadian Hawaii, and you'll see what I mean. It's really
maybe
nice.
I might be interested in these shorts here.
Yeah, yeah. I'm already in two. My stop got missed. My stops are not that wide. I have a stop at 352, but it is showing some signs of weakness here, which is nice.
I might want to enter. So what I like to do in this instance here, right, is that, we got the big move up, pop down, market structure shift. If we can get another move down, close super bearish below all these lows, then I call that second stage delivery because we have the first bearish leg pull back and the second leg, which I call the second stage delivery on a two-step delivery to our draw in liquidity or our low in
Yeah.
this instance. Right, so now this I could have entered this, and I would have been up a nice pretty amount right now. But also, it's a bit more risky because you can get stopped out very quickly.
Oh yeah.
Right, so now if I wait for this candle, let's say this one here closes below, and then probably the next one is gonna like come up here and then go a bit below, and then this one's gonna take this and then go like this. I can enter on this one here with my stop here or here or something, get a bit worse risk to reward, but their win rate goes up like crazy.
Yeah, because you're waiting for
It's like me going to
confirmation.
town. Oh, hey, yeah, exactly. Dude, Acorn, I'm going to Thailand this winter in November. So,
But not for the lady boys. But not for the lady boys, I'm sure.
no, hopefully not.
Yeah, Joey's funny, man. Joey's really funny.
Hopefully
That's
not.
Acorn. Acorn is Joey. So if you hear me say Joey, it's him.
All right.
Yeah, that's
No,
hilarious.
yeah.
So how old are you, bro?
Hopefully we're
You're in
okay.
your 20s, right? I think you said you were 27.
Yeah, I'm 27
Yeah,
years old.
Joey's like
Yeah.
20. I think Joey's your exact same age. I think Joey's 27 also.
Is he now?
He lives in New England. He's got a cat, and he saves
yeah?
yeah, he saves muskrats too when he's on his side, his kind of side thing, his hobby.
Good morning. I'm on a YouTube channel live right now. Like I told you I was gonna do that. Love you. My fiance forgot. She just walked in my room because she's not used to me trading that late. Sorry about that.
No, that's fine. If you got to go at any point, just let us know. I know we run you past your time here. It's 12 o'clock, 12:07.
Oh no, not
Yeah.
at all. I appreciate being
I
here.
don't know if you got a curfew.
I'm whipped.
I'm just kidding.
I can be hard to tell. Easy to get a surprise. I've heard that. I've heard of people getting surprises.
Yeah.
So that's our close below, little pop up. Maybe if we can get a move lower, like just like that. I'll partake in this. I'll partake in this. Put my stop here super tight. If I get stopped, I get stopped.
Yeah.
Could happen, obviously. And then ideally we can get kind of a move lower here and just continuation through. And if we can get to these lows here, I'm only in one contract here, so if we can get to these lows, I'll consider going break even, and then TP will be way down here.
Yeah. So it's like a nice rollover. It could be.
And yeah, that's I kind of like the way that I like the way the market's moving right now. I like what it's doing. It could come up and stop me out. I could see that happening. I might move my stop entirely and wait for a candle closure above this because it could wick me out, and I wouldn't mind getting wicked out. Or I wouldn't want to get wicked out for prices and just continue to dump. So I might move my stop a bit or just take it out entirely if the price starts to reach towards here and then wait to see the candle close, which is something that I do. Because I don't just want to get wicked out. I always say wicks do the damage and bodies that sorry. Like right now, like it's coming up quite aggressively. I'm gonna let it go. And there we go, stops me out. And then if it wicks back, I'll just re-enter.
Gotcha.
It happens.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to come up here one last time before maybe rolling over for good.
Yeah, I don't mind that. I could always enter this right here as well if we can get kind of a candle rejection here and just get the better entry. We do have the bearish leg, the rebalance. The rebalance is just higher than I thought it was going to be, which is fine as well.
Yeah. If it takes the high here in this little range, then it's probably going to continue up.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
I added another one just now and had a little pop, but we'll see.
Said about to be 23. JD, what's your advice for improving trading psychology? Just repetitions. you know, and not mindless repetitions, kind of like when you go to the gym where you don't just want to, you know, lift whatever is not going to work. You know, you have to make your brain work for it. So like you want to put the risk on as much risk as you can without tilting, without kind of overexposing yourself or, you know, letting your emotions override. And you want to, you know, gradually increase that over time, and then this way you can kind of get used to seeing those numbers on your screen, and you kind of become numb to it.
Yeah.
And then yeah, that's what I did. That's that because and I always say when you increase your risk by a lot, let's say you go from having one funded account, and then you grind your way to a payout, and then you want to reinvest that payout into 5 accounts to copy trade them.
Mm-hmm.
Which me, I don't do that. Me personally, I think there's ways to make money off a singular account and
Yeah.
kind of rotate them instead of, you know, because if you have a tilt or something, you lose everything.
I've had those. Yeah. Those are tough.
So, which is why I don't like putting all my eggs in one basket basically. So I don't like copy trading that much. I used to do it, but I'm not a big fan nowadays. And yeah, so I say if you are to copy trade, you know, everybody's different. Maybe you're gonna like it.
Mm-hmm.
I think that it's worth to mention that you're probably gonna struggle at the start. You know, seeing 5x which you're used to seeing, and you might lose them at the first time, but you can't let that discourage you. You know, it's normal. I always say
Yeah.
when you up your risk, when you do stuff like that, you're gonna lose. You have if let's say me on my live account, I was risking 1,000,
Mm-hmm.
and then I would up my risk to 2,000 per trade. I would tell myself that 5 or 6,000 of that account is just gone.
Yeah.
Like I'll forget about it. I'll act like it's not even there anymore, or else you get too emotional too quickly.
You got to mentally prepare yourself for that.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's not easy. It's not easy.
Psychology is one of the hardest things because in trading, it's not your strategy. It's not your, it's really nothing. I think all those things are secondary. The first is always the psychology and how you react to a loss. That is number one. Not so much how you react to a win. Some people have a hard time being in profits. They get nervous, but it's how you react to a loss. I think that makes the biggest difference in trading psychology.
Oh, 100%. I always say your psychology almost means nothing in the sense where you could put the edge on your side, which is cool. But if you were to just get on the market, go for 1-to-1 risk to reward,
Mhm.
and press buy or sell, it's 50-50.
Yeah.
Like that's like strategy is not a big deal. Like at the worst, you should be 50-50.
Yeah.
But
Because it's a
yeah,
coin
your
flip.
brain.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. And people always come in with a plan. People always think they're ready, and I always say you always think you're ready until you get punched in the face. And then when you get punched in the face, you start seeing black, and now you can't control.
Yeah.
But you gotta stick to the plan, and you know, call it cool, composed. If you're stressed when you're in the trade, it's because you're risking too much. Lower your size. If you're scared, if you can't accept the loss, you're risking too much. Lower your size, accept the risk. Like right now, let's say my risk is on,
Mm-hmm.
like, but now my side will go here. But if I look at this number and I think, ooh, this is a lot, I'm just not gonna click this.
Yeah.
You know, this is not what I look at. This doesn't matter because this, it could go here.
Yeah.
It could go here.
Yeah,
It could be here.
could
It could
dump.
like this doesn't matter. But this will stay here because if you're in profit and the trade is now here, let's say,
Yeah.
you're definitely not like you're much less likely to say, okay, I'm gonna take it here. But when you're when you're in or I'm sorry, let me restart. If your profit's here, you're much more likely to say, okay, I'm gonna take my profits here. Whereas if you're here in the trade, you're much less likely to stop your trade here because you're gonna, oh, but what if it doesn't go here and goes back? But then when you're in profit, you're gonna cut your trade out early because you're scared. If any of those emotions happen while you're in the trade, you're risking too much, or you're just not confident enough in your model, and you need more data. You need to back test more, maybe you need to forward test more, but you need to know what you're doing more, basically, because
Exactly.
it's TP, SL, or what the market's telling me. So if the market dumps big, misses my entry, and then comes back super heavy, I'm gonna get out break even because now I know that the market's telling me it wants to go for these highs. That's like over here. This is very bearish. I'm
Yeah, it
actually
looks like it's
quite
going.
interested, but this size is a bit much. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this just to get my risk dialed in. And one contract would be 6. I'm willing to risk, let's say, 250. So rough math, that's about 4 of those. So if price gets to here, I'm gonna enter 4 micros. I have the mini on my left and the micro on my right to get my like flexible risk.
Look at you. That's smart.
Yeah, this way I have both, and I have the 5 minute here and the 1 minute there. So here I see the bigger time frame a little bit. They're both NQ,
Mm-hmm.
and but because the mini is a bit too much risk for me here, that I'm not willing to put on this trade.
Yeah. Go
If it
with
gets to my alert, I'll just slap sell here and market
smart,
order it.
smart.
Yeah.
Joey
So
wants to know if your strategy is based off of Tory trend lines.
No.
He's just kidding though. You gotta understand there's a lot of sarcasm in the chat.
Yeah. I don't know who Tori Trendlines is.
You don't know
Actually.
Tory?
No.
Oh, bro, where have you been, man? If you don't know Tory, that's hilarious.
Is that a lady boy? What is
No, it's not a lady. Maybe she is. Joey's the only one that would know. But no, she's just a really famous female trader who charges $6,000 to teach you how to put trend lines on a chart. You've never heard of her?
You're kidding.
Bro, just YouTube,
No.
bro. Whenever you have like time by yourself when your wife's not looking over your shoulder, you look up Tory Trades on YouTube, and then you'll be like, what? Like $6,000 for this? And it's all marketing. It's everything. It's all She's just a marketing machine.
Oh yeah. And she's a girl, so you already know people are fiending for.
Yeah.
For
You know,
female
guys are simps in
companionship,
this space.
Yeah.
But you do know
There you
ICT,
go.
right? You know ICT.
Yeah.
At any point, did you use any of the ICT mentorships to like kind of guide your strategy?
No. I recommend people to maybe go see it if they want, but me, I never watched it.
Oh, bro,
I
you're
mean,
my
I
guy.
did, but he's too boring. The guy. I watched like 10 minutes. I was like, no.
You're my guy, bro. You're my guy. That's awesome. No, I'm just kidding. I always tease the ICT traders. I always tease them. No, that's good. You developed your own. You were around before ICT got popular anyway. 8 years of trading. You were trading before he started to gain popularity.
Yeah. But no, I try to watch it. He's too much of a snooze to me. He's not energetic enough. I don't know. He's like, I don't know. I'm not saying the guy, I don't trust him, but I don't know.
You're right about that though. You listen to him, you'll fall asleep.
Oh yeah. And his lessons are way too long. That's why me on my YouTube, I like to keep my videos on the shorter side a little bit, and then if people want more insight, the Discord's free. They can ask questions. I'll always answer them. But I keep my videos, well, not on the shorter side, but kind of, precise to the point.
Yeah.
And then they can always rewatch it if they don't understand, versus watching a 2-hour lesson on the same thing that I can teach in 8 minutes.
Yeah. The funny thing is there's some really, really successful YouTube traders who basically take all of his mentorships and condense them down into bite sizes where it's more where you can actually take something away, and digest it, and they get tons of views just for that. It's crazy. It's unreal because you can't really listen to his stuff because he rants so much, and it's just hard to even get anything out of it. Yeah. So what you're doing is right.
He's definitely. He's definitely more on the I don't know, like he's more on the egotistical side too, which I don't like that much.
A little bit, yeah.
like he claims to know where the market, like nobody knows where the market's gonna go, bro.
He created the algorithm. He said.
Yeah, like you can't know for sure.
Yeah.
Like nobody knows for sure. Like I could be in this short right now and. I don't know, the president of whatever country says that something, and I'll go straight to my stop loss. And what is that? Because ICT concepts, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, he knew it. ICT
he
knew it.
He was aware. He's in Trump's. He's in Trump's group. 100K a month. He knows.
Yeah, he does. ICT is the InfoWars of trading. That's hilarious. So Cam was asking what kind of strategy I use for trading. I built an indicator system called the Smooth Trader Concepts. It just basically uses order flow and it simplifies it down into its purest form. And it creates optimal trading ranges where you could look for invalidation zones and TP areas. And we mix it in with volume and momentum. And that's usually what I base my trading off of. I tinker around with a lot of different things to make it better, but so far it's worked really well. I mean, a lot of traders in our community use it. Rye Night Trader, he uses it in the evenings, and he's consistently making good money. And it's basically something I created because I was trading in a certain way, but I didn't have a visual for it, so I created the visual. And it really has taken on a life of its own. So if you guys are interested in taking a look at what it is, there's links all over here in the chat and the stream and the description. I think I forgot to post it in the chat, to be honest with you. But it's pretty simple. It's very similar to the way that JD here trades. We took the same trades today, which is
Yeah, we did actually.
Yeah, we did. We took a lot of the same trades today, but he calls it different things, and I call it different things. But at the end of the day, trading a lot of times just comes down to support and resistance levels and where you see interest. And I think that's where what he at the end of the day, I think we're all trading the same thing, calling it different things.
Yep, literally.
Well, a lot of us, not all of us.
It's like I always say, even every single, if you were any ICT traders in the chat, I don't kind of align myself with ICT traders that much. I like to say that I'm not an ICT trader, but a lot of these words that he says basically all mean the same thing: equilibrium, consequent encroachment. That's all 50%. Order blocks, breaker blocks, all that. It's all the same thing. It's just a breaker block is an order block that was broken through. Like they all mean the same thing.
They do. They all mean they're the same concepts repackaged.
Yeah. So you got to learn something that makes sense for your brain, you know, and when your brain can wrap its head around it, then or you know, when you can wrap your head around a certain terminology for something and stick to it.
Yeah, so, for sure. So you guys enjoying JD's breakdown here of the markets? Let us know in the chat. We'll have him back again because I didn't know you're very informative, man. You got a lot of knowledge on you for your years. You're wise beyond your years, like they say.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
But no, I love it. I love it. I mean, I don't mind. I love being here. I love talking to you guys. I love I do it for the love of the game. I've been doing it for a year for basically free, right? I do it because I love doing that.
What's the name of your YouTube channel? I'm gonna post it in the chat.
It's JD Trades 21, I think.
JD Trades.
Yeah.
Trades 21.
I appreciate you guys for wanting me back as well. Thank you.
Yeah, no, man. Thank you for being here with us. I know you've got a whole life of your own up there in Canada.
Yeah, it's every time I travel, that's my fiance always tells me. She looks at the people. It's the first thing she says every time. She looks at the people and she goes, "These people live here and they have a life of their own." I'm like, I know, it's crazy to think about.
It's true.
Crazy to think about for sure. Am I bald? No, but I'm balding. If that helps. I'm definitely.
Don't worry, nothing a little money can't fix.
Yeah, I'm when I go to Thailand, I'm supposed to get it fixed there. So.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
I might come with you. We got 2 for 1. Maybe we'll get a 2 for 1.
Get a 2 for 1, buy one get one free deal.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
That'd be awesome. That definitely helps, JD. Yeah. But I'm wearing a cap now. I invested in a lot of caps, so.
Oh, okay. that could be your thing, man.
Yeah, I went to a really nice restaurant yesterday, and I was telling my girlfriend, I'm like, or my fiance, I was like, "Can I wear a cap?" She's like, "No." I was like, "Fuck."
Yeah.
Like, damn, I don't know if I can swear. Sorry. I was like, "Damn it."
Yeah. Sometimes your look. I had a friend that never took a hat off. He never took a hat off. Never. He always had hat hair, like hat head, because he always wore a baseball cap, New York Yankees hat, all the time. And he looked weird without it. Like when he would take it off, I'm like, I didn't even recognize the guy. Like he just looked strange. So no cap says watch me fails. Yeah, this market, what do you think of this? It's sideways chop action. Like we got a big chop range in the open, and now we got a small chop range here going into lunch.
Yeah, I mean, I don't usually trade this time, and right now I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed by this. Yeah, but I do like this candle that we're getting right now. If this was AM, I might add a micro contract, but I won't because I'm not super familiar with the price action at this time.
Yeah.
Basically just kind of playing with profits here, so I'm not too mad about it. But
I love your discipline.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna get stopped out here fairly soon. It just kind of tickled my stop loss right there.
Yeah. And, this is just today is not made. Whatever algorithm ICT put on today, man. This is not the one. This is not the one you want to be trading.
Let me give him a call. Tell him to turn on the short algorithm real quick.
For sure. Yeah, this is nuts. I'm out. I'm calling it here. I'm not liking this market. Well. Yeah, I'm not liking this market at all.
I'm surprised I even took 2 wins this morning, to be honest, looking at this market. Hopefully the people in my group kind of caught it as well, because this right here, what you guys are seeing right here is what I call an account destroyer right there. This is a day where people are going to try to short here, they're going to get stopped out, they're going to try to short here, and then they're going to be down more than they anticipated. They're going to try to revenge trade, and then when you revenge trade, you're stuck in this portion of the price action where it's just all over the place still, and
Yeah, I mean, a lot of days we get that for maybe 15, 30 minutes, but today it was just the whole session was like that. Yeah. So it was a tough one today, man.
London session did drop pretty heavily. I kind of expected a bounce back higher if we were going to get one, but ended up...
London was clean, man. Like that's what you.
Yeah.
Those are the charts of dreams are made of. But today's
Oh
open
yeah.
was just. Oof.
Yeah, yeah. I'm very unimpressed with the price
Yeah.
action today, and I guess I'm gonna have to call the real JD Vance and
Yeah. Knock
tell
it
him
off.
to change something here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to August PA. Yeah, but August, well, this year and last August from my journal, because I do journal every trade. I think it's super important. But the first 2 weeks were pretty decent, and then now for the past week and a half, to be honest, I've been unimpressed. You're right, Cam. Very.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is not the greatest. It is what it is.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
I'm expecting a pick back up here in in a week or two,
Yeah.
and then yeah.
Cool. Well, JD, you're a scholar and a gentleman. We thank you for being here with us, brother. And we'll talk in the Discord.
Yes, sir.
This
Hit
week.
me up. I'll hit you up too. I
Yeah.
appreciate you having me here as well.
No problem, man. Thank you.
A lot.
Wish you the
And
best, man.
yeah, everybody in chat, you guys have a good day. You
Yeah.
too. I never got your actual name, by the way.
It's Lewis. Yeah, but
Lewis,
you go
okay.
by Loose
Sorry.
Smooth.
Okay.
Yeah, tell your fiance we thank you and thank her. I'm sorry, thank her for taking your time up, and we wish you guys the best, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good day, everyone.
Bye bye. All right, there you have it, guys. JD Vance, man. Alrighty, Roo. Okay, guys, we are back, and let me go ahead and turn the volume down so we don't blow your eardrums out, because we are going to play some tunes until we leave here for a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Yeah, JD's a really cool guy. I like him. Doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, guys, we are doing absolutely nothing and doing it very, very quickly and very efficiently. This is the. I'm going to take a picture of today's price action and post it on my wall. Yeah, he's a great guy. Yeah, Joey, you going to do it? All right, man. Let's talk in the Discord. We'll set you up. These are Heiken candles, Cam. They are killer, Cam. They are Heiken Ashis. They just work a lot better with our indicator system. And they average out, they smooth out the price action. I used to never use them. I used to just use traditional OHLC candles. And they don't work as well. It's not a, even though you can tell a lot from a traditional candle, you can trade. You can see a lot, like the candle that JD was talking about earlier here. Very nice candle. And there's certain qualities that traditional candles give, and there's certain qualities that you also get from Heiken Ashi. So they're both great. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but they both serve a purpose. And so it's very nice. This is a great candle like he spoke about earlier today. Another one there. Yeah, these candles have just been very tricky today. It looks like we're probably going to end up getting a dump now. Diddy Band Bang. That's for Joey. That's for Joey right there. Diddy Band Bang. Yeah, we are dangerously close to losing this eval here. We're down $1,300 on this, but I don't know if there's even any if there's any way to get anything. Might try to shorts again at 360. I don't know. I might try them again at 360. I don't know. Yeah, this is pretty bad. I'm thinking of shorting price, sweep those internal highs and enter at 387. You're thinking 387? Yeah, I'm thinking 360. Possible for another attempt at shorts. But if we continue going higher, then we're probably going to shoot right up to 417 here. 417 has got the VWAP, and then we've got 435, which we hit earlier today. And then we've got another level up here I'm looking at, possibly 543. All levels with good volume, high volume. Diddy Bang Bang. What a song, man. I actually got to take this one off. I don't want to give that one too much thought. But these do look like they have something here. 360 could be something. Maybe get a fast drop after that. I think. Oh, sorry, Joey. I have so many things here that I'm trying to. You sent them you DM me or you put them on the main chat? Where did you put them? Put a pause on that Eval for the day. Wait for a better day. I think so. Lootfish. You DM me? Okay. Where's my Discord? How many Discords I got? Don't fade me, bro. Don't fade me, ho. Oh, you. That was today. So you got levels. Thursday's levels. You got a 625 level. I'm going to give Joey his own color here. Joey's got 625. Let me use the other tool. Joey's got a 625, a 553. OV levels 382. 382 for Joey. Right there is Joey's OV level. Now we're getting a dump. Look at that. Can you believe it? After I got stopped out. Joey's OV level 382, and we've got 689. Joey's got some levels to the upside. A lot of them. He's got you got a 689. Your levels are way up there. 553. Your 553 is close to my 543, so I'm gonna leave that there. 625 and 747. 689. That's the overnight high, so I'll leave that there. 625. You've got a 625. And 747. 747 is real close to this previous day's high, so I'll leave that one alone. Yeah, a couple Joey levels there. Yeah. What's up, Sambi? Choose discipline over tilt. Tomorrow is another day. Hold on, NQ hostage. This NQ today, bro. I got some words for the NQ today. Got some words for the NQ. I got some real words for the NQ. Not even Tori could trade this market. Are these just snippets of his songs? Are these just snippets? These are previews? The NQ is allowing everyone to take a turn on her. Sambi, you're crazy. You can remove the ones that probably won't get used all the way up there. Yeah, that's okay. I'll keep it there. She is taking all the money from buyers and sellers, missing wallet types a day for them. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, still like that 360 level for a short, but it missed it here on this one. Maybe it comes back and it's upset again, and then I'd be interested in taking that short. That's crazy, though. That is crazy, man. Today's price action was just insane, bonkers. Look at this, man. All right, we're coming up to 360. I'd like a short from 360. Let's see what happens. Today has been a mess, a disaster. Double rejection of 32. If not, then I'm clueless. Damn, Joey. Yeah, I know. This is nuts. No work today, Joey. You don't have to go to work today. NQ has dominatrix out of her for lunch. There's no safe words. No, there are not. No safe words. Just when you think you know the NQ, just when you think you know her, she does stuff like this. All right, stop playing. No, I mean the music. Can I stop the playing? Where's the music coming from now? I'm confused. I don't know where the music's coming from now. I'm gonna have to close this. All right. Put Spotify on. Can you guys hear the music? I have it on Spotify now. Can you guys hear it? All right, I'm short one. I'm not gonna give it much room to run though. I'm gonna give it to 383, and if this isn't it, then I don't know what is. You hear it nice and low? Let me turn it up a little bit. Is that better, or is that too loud? Yeah, I did. Let me know if it's too loud. I'll turn it down. Man. Chop in the morning, chop in the afternoon, chop at all times of the day. That's about right. Perfect. We're on a stream. To hear your lovely voice, thank you. I talk low so the music can't be too high. I'll start using my outside voice. First target was 770, but the lights are going on. 7701. Oh, okay. Yeah, you mean on the ES. Wow. What are we doing? I don't know. Good question. Yeah, I'm thinking if we do reject the 360 level, we can finally come down to 260. That's what I'm thinking. But let's look at the rest of the market. Did Bitcoin ever come back down, or are we still ripping on Bitcoin? Bitcoin's on steroids right now, looking like it wants to continue going higher. We're at 72,000 on Bitcoin. We were at 68 yesterday. I thought that was going to cool down, but no. I guess I should have paid for that $100,000 alert from Trump. I would have been in on this pump candle, man. Look at this. This is crazy. It's probably like 10,000 points, 8,300 points. Yeah, you guys thought I was exaggerating. It's a lot. What are the mags doing? Oh no, mags, come back, baby. Mags are trading clean. The NQ's not though. Mags are trading really clean. Who's winning and losing today? Who is winning and losing? Who's the winner? Who's the loser? Pretty flat. Everything looks kind of mixed. Nothing really jumps out at me except for SpaceX and Tesla being down pretty bad. Amazon's down a little bit and Google just a tad, but nothing crazy. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia looks like it wants to make a comeback as well. Hard to say here, guys. This 360 trade doesn't look the hottest, but nothing has looked the hottest today. Gold was on a ripper recently. Let's see if it continues. Yeah, good morning. Gold is ripped this morning. Gave some of it back. Let's look at oil. Oil, same thing as gold, kind of just going in the same direction. Let's look at this. YM's kind of doing the same thing as the NQ right now, trying to find a little bit of more upside, but I don't know. I guess the shorts are over. You can't call it today. Cannot call it. Markets was stressing you out this morning. I thought you were gonna punch the monitor. I was. If it wasn't for you calming me down, Joey, I would have punched every monitor in this house. At least you aren't blasting the gain like FSP. Does he do that? No, I'm not trying to blow your eardrums out, guys. I'm not. I'm just trying to I'm gonna probably put on some music, get you guys all amped up. Like Will Ferrell said in that movie Step Brothers, it's controversial, but it gets the people going. Something like that. It's easy to tell in others, but so hard to see the control in yourself. Hey, babe. This song was made specifically for Sam B. Green Diamonds Forever. Green Diamonds Forever. Man, I don't know what this market wants to do or will do, but I'm very disappointed in the market today. ES is 10 points from your TPM. What's a TPM? Oh, he got the mic set 5 levels louder than anything other trading channel out there. Oh, wow. Yeah, I would never do that to you guys, man. I care too much about your audible hearing. I care too much. Some people are just, they're gonna start selling in a couple months. They'll probably start selling hearing aids as an affiliate, so that way they're trying to set you up for that next. 370 is 50% of the fib, is it? Turning point moment. Oh, okay. Turning point moment. You guys have too many acronyms, man. Is that an ICT acronym? TPM? I'm just kidding. I know you're not ICT. I'm losing every ICT trader on this channel. Ever since day one, I've always lost every ICT trader because they're like, yo, he keeps talking about ICT. What about this guy? He's bald and he talks about ICT. I'm telling my mentor. I'm telling my sensei. And that's what happens. Yeah, I'm just kidding, Paul. All right, this thing's gonna rip. It's done. It's going to Joey's ovulating levels. Joey's ovulating level is at 382. Let's see if it goes there, and I'll be stopped out there. I just lost 2 ICT traders. I'm sorry, ICT traders. This is no longer bearish. It was bearish, but no longer. Man, if I could have just inversed my own trades, like fade me, bro. Insane clown traders. Yeah. Lutefish, I mean, what else does OV stand for? And Joey's always talking about ovulating, so I don't know. Oh, come on, NQ. Just do something for once. Just something clean. This BS that you've been doing all day. Market's no longer dumpy. And I'm calling it a day here, guys. I stopped out here at Joey's OV level. Yeah, short 382. Don't fade me, Joey. You know what? I'm gonna give this trade a little more room for Joey's OV levels. Ovulation levels. Actually, I don't think I am. I just did. I'm giving Joey up to 400. And now she's gonna start to squeeze. Here comes the short squeeze. I can smell it. Yeah, this has been a nuts day, guys. All you had to do today is fade me. Yeah, I'm getting out of this, man. This is just redonkulous. This should not be legal. This price action should not be legal. It should definitely be illegal. The bulls are ovulating? Yes, they are. They are ovulating. I don't know what to do here, Joey. I'm confused. Let's see what happens here at Joey's ovulation level. Dump it, baby. I don't know, man. I don't know. What would Tori do here, Joey? What would Tori do? Super Fire. It's a song that Night Trader, our resident music producer, made for the stream that he runs every night from Globex until he falls asleep at his desk. Sell lines. The Bulls have left the barn. Yes, Paul. Bulls. Good thing I gave Joey's ovulation level a little bit of a room there to breathe. It's crazy. Are you just paying attention to this stuff? This is insane. Yeah, I don't know what to do. price action today was definitely sinister. Your trades at break even? Oh, you shouldn't have said that. Market maker's coming for it, Joey. What do you call a bull that tells jokes? A laughing stock. Oh, man. Laughing stock. You even got the dog laughing on that one, man. You got the dog laughing on that one, too. The dog thought that one was funny. Good one, Paul. Got the Chinese dog laughing. You got Joey laughing. You got everybody laughing. Man, Joey, here comes the market maker for your stop loss. Joey needs this, thank you. Joey needs this. Please give it to him. Give it to him, NQ. Man, they crazy. The way they move this price around, they are very crazy. Diddy bang bang. That was an awesome grind up. See, I'm here as an ICT trader specifically because I enjoy the humor. Now you give everyone zingers to keep trading light. Sure, we are risking capital and that part is serious, but we need to keep loose. Yeah, absolutely. I just like busting people's chops. If you can't take it, then it's the wrong channel. People bust my chops all the time. I get called all types of things on the channel. You guys ever see what these guys call me, Ed? I cry myself to sleep every night thinking about the things you guys say to me. But I won't let you guys see it. Gotta be strong for the stream. I was crying to my wife yesterday saying, everybody keeps calling me bald, babe. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I was gonna put a toupee on today because it's really starting to get to me. Dump it, NQ. Come on, baby. We want that 260 level. Calm down. 100 points. TP ran out of bull jokes. Yeah. Besides Derek Jeter. Yeah, I was called Derek Jeter a lot when I was a kid. We both had curly hair, and then now we're both bald. Use your words. I'm going to use my words. Usually that cycle lasts about 18 to 30 minutes. What cycle is that? Yeah. I'd like to see them break below. This current 360 level, we do have some support here. If we can break below it again, then we should be okay. Come on, keep dumping, keep dumping. SNL Skid said Derek Jeter looks like The Rock made it with a Muppet. Oh. Good job, Joey. Good job, Joey. Like The Rock made it with a Muppet. Oh, man. Never mind. I don't look like Derek Jeter. I don't look like that guy. He looks like me. Somebody said I look like Zorg from Superman 2 yesterday. Or Zorg. Whatever the guy's name is. That was funny. I think I'm going to call it here in a few minutes, guys, because this market's going nowhere. Nowhere with me. Nowhere with me, at least. Gonna have to go to the carpet store to get that toupee? Yeah, no, I have a pretty big head. We're watching the key trade. We're watching key trade. I don't know what that means, but I do. Yeah, I know I do. Watch me fails. Good thing you have this room and I trusted the Diddy lines. Yeah, man. What would I do without these Diddy lines? What would I do without Joey's ovulation line? I would be lost. Guys, that's it. I give up. Oh, Key from Key and Peele. I like Key. I like Key and Peele. I like Key. That's a welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Yeah, that was a good one. All right, I think we're done. This market's toast. It's toast. It's toast. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, I think Key and Peele are so funny, bro. They are. Oh no, that's not Key and Peele. I'm thinking of Key and Peele are the ones that do the skits. The two black dudes that do the skits on like Comedy Central. Oh no, those guys are hilarious, bro. Key and Peele is a whole nother level. I was thinking of Keenan and the other dude, the chubby kid with the skinny kid. No, I was thinking. Never mind. Yeah, no, Key and Peele are hilarious, bro. They are so funny. Oh yeah, no, Key and Peele are really funny. The financial side of me all day today. I'm gonna go mow the lawn and maybe do some archery in the backyard. This is just crap. Yeah, it is pretty bad. All right, I'm gonna go, guys. I'm gonna say a prayer for you guys and let you guys go. Let me turn the jams down a little bit. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord, that you have made. Lord, we thank you for this community that you have given us opportunity to share our wisdom with, Lord. Father, we ask you, Lord, and we ask you in a humble way, Father, forgive our sins, Lord, because I know we were not made perfect, Lord, but we were made in your image, Lord. So I know that every day is an opportunity for us to be better and to get better, Father, for your honor, for your grace, Father. Lord, pray for everybody in this community, anyone here, Lord, who is going through a difficult time, Father, with anything, Lord, their finances, their household, Father, relationships, and their health, Lord. I pray for all the people here, Lord, especially the ones who have not come to know you yet, Lord. I pray in Jesus' name that they do find you, Lord, wherever they may be, whatever circumstance they might be facing in life, Lord. I know that you can comfort all, Lord. Father, I also pray that you keep us safe until we meet again tomorrow. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, we'll see you guys all tomorrow. Is Legends Code still working? I'm going to get a new account later today. I think we're all going to need new accounts later today. And the answer is yes, guys. If you haven't checked out the Profit Matrix yet, the Profit Matrix has the best deals, guys, in the whole entire galaxy. I've checked with other galaxies, and we're still leading the way here. Legends has a 50K Elite right now for $49. It's only good till August 21st. Till August 21st, guys. And then they go back up to $10,000. So right now you can get it for $49. And there's a bunch of other deals in here too, in case you guys didn't know. All you have to do is slide right in and then slide over and then check out all the deals. We got Funded Seat, Funded Next, Legends, Lucid, Tradeify, Trade Day, and many more. And it doesn't stop there, guys. It does not stop there. We've also got the legendary Apex. When you want to get degenerate and trade 20 accounts and bring home the bacon. And if you want to trade some Bitcoin and crypto, right now Bitcoin is doing some amazing things. If you guys want to trade crypto, I do trade crypto on the BTCC leverage exchange. I like it because they will give you $30 just for doing your KYC, and they'll give you up to they'll give you 10% sign-on bonus. So whenever you deposit money, they give you 10% on top. You can use that money to trade with and put the rest back in your bank. So if you deposit 1,000, you will get 100. That's how math works. And as you keep trading, your volume adds up, and you'll collect rewards along the way, anywhere between $10 all the way up to $30,000 worth of rewards, such as a Rolex, a Rollie, man. I'm gonna get a Rollie from being a DGen. And yeah, if you guys want to check out the indicator, which today did not really have an opportunity to show you its luster, but it really is a good one. And if you want to just get the free indicator we have, which is the volume toolkit, just go to our website. It's pinned in the chat. Click here, get it for free. It'll take you over to TradingView, where you can download this beautiful thing here for free and make it your own. If you want to try out the entire indicator, you can do so for just $7 for 7 days, and then you're good to go. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's all I got to say. So I'm out of here, guys. I'll check you out tomorrow, and take care.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.